Hey, how's it going? Getting things set up. We're going to be doing some, I figured I wanted to feel like doing some communication today. Do some communication Python. Some simple communication using threading and modules. We'll build something. Not like a chat. We'll build a chat in the terminal. We'll see how it goes. We'll build a chat in the terminal. I'm kind of excited about it. I think we'll do pretty good. So we use threading, queues, messaging, loops. We'll basically be using everything that we learned a lot. We learned a lot so far. Check this out. Look at all these things that we learned. Hey, Quantum, good to see you. Welcome on in. We're gonna be doing some communicate. We're gonna do the idea that you thought of the other day. You're gonna do the idea that you thought of. We're gonna make it happen. Hey, far less than a few. Good to see you. Welcome on in. We're gonna be doing. We're gonna do a little bit of networking. We're gonna be doing a little bit of threading. We're gonna be doing a little bit of modules. We'll be doing a little bit of everything today. We're gonna make it happen. I'm excited about this. Where are we right now? Looking at our directory. Okay. Looks good to me. Here we go. So we're gonna just vi communication.py. I think this will be good. Like, yeah, Python. We're doing Python. You got it. We're doing Python. I like it. Hey, bro. How's it going? RUX 10,000. Good to see you. Torva. Good to see you as well. Welcome on in. We are going to be doing some communication today. And I'm going, let's lay it out. Let's do some pseudocode. This is how yeah, Python. Yeah, I love it. I love that. That's really good. We're doing Python. I love it. I'm so excited about this. This is great. So do you do this? Do you do pseudocode? We're going to lay it out. We're going to lay all essentially what we want here. So we're going to create a module that's going to call communication module. And inside will allow you to receive messages and send messages, right? And that will be done through threading. And so that will make it really easy for us to display stuff on the screen, and maybe even, could we even do some lambdas, or at least some functional programming? I wonder if you can do that. I'm actually kind of curious about that. I think you might be able to. We're gonna find out. Maybe we can do like callback strategy. Check out the bat util on GitHub. It's called cat, but it's a bat instead of cat. Syntax highlighting, line numbers, more. Wait, what do you mean? Support syntax highlighting, line numbers, and more. It's also written in Rust. Ooh, the bat util? Okay, let's check this out. I'm gonna open it up real quick. Bat util GitHub. All right, let's check it out. There's a lot. There's more than a few. All right, here it is. It said syntax highlighting, so it must be this one. It's this one right here. What am I looking at? For Vim? Is this for Vim or what? It was for Warp. A special thank you that goes out to Warp. What is this? Bat. Cat. A cat clone with wings. Wait. Oh, so it can read files and... Oh, I got it. Well, it looks like Vim then. I'm just opening Vim. What do I do bat for? Like, why would I could just open it up in a text editor. Why'd you say that? Right? Am I wrong? What's the difference? All right. Let's see. Bro, how are you? Doing good. Thank you for yesterday's feedback on portfolio. Hey, you're welcome. I'm adding your feedbacks. Nice. That's great to hear. Hey, Jinlu, good to see you. Well, it keeps you in the terminal. It's true. It sure does. It keeps you in the terminal instead of taking you to the locked editor experience. Well, for me, I've got, Vim. I've got straight up Vim. So I could say cat readme, right? I could cat readme and just pop through things like this, or I could just say instead Vim readme, right? Boom, same thing, and it's got all the stuff that I want. This somewhat pretty, somewhat syntax highlighted. I assume it saves you with the colon Q. Okay. So keystroke save you. I have to give that to you. I have to, because it does count. It really counts. It does. It counts. And channel member. Wait, what do you mean? See, because I'm a mod and channel member. Oh, that's why. Gotcha. Okay. Right. Okay. So we're going to build a module. And by a module, I mean, I'm just going to be writing a Python file. And then I'm going to import it into another one. And we're going to call that one called chat.py. So we're going to have this communication.py module. And then we'll have a chat.py. And in this chat.py, we'll define methods to get data from stdn or somehow, right? And then also method to, what do you want it? Method to get data and to print data. Basically, we're just gonna print data. Print to screen, which is obviously one line of code, but you know, that's how we're gonna go to screen. So we're gonna do some nice abstraction. We're gonna do some nice abstraction here. And this module will have some threading. So we'll threading with ability to start thread using a method or I guess a function callback right there. Function callback, something like that. I think that's it. And so we'll be able to read data and write data, no problem. No problem. I think that'll be no problem. And so we'll be able to start a thread to print data, to print it to the screen, and then we will be able to capture user input. That's what we'll do. We'll capture user input. I think that's a good plan. I'm pretty happy about it. So this is the communication.py, and then we'll have over here, we'll create a new file called chat.py. And so this will be the chat.py over here. And this will be communication.py over here. We'll start off with communication.py. So let's see here. Let's import threading. Or is it just threads? Threads. Let's double check. I opened up a reference that we could check here. We also need requests. So we're going to import requests and threading. It's called threading. Okay, got it. Threading. And then import requests, which is going to be the networking layer. Steven, okay, got it. Bro, how can I become a mod? Oh, well, you just have to ask. If you ask, then, and RUX 10,000, you've been here for long enough. I think it counts now at this point. RUX 10,000, do you want to be a mod? Do you? Do you want to be a mod? Let me know. You get to just say, hey, Steven, can I be a mod? I'm going to, okay, and I'll click the mod button. Just double checking if that is what you really want. Or if you want to wait, because you might want to wait. You don't know. You never know. You might want to wait. Okay, so let's see here. We're going to define a function to connect to a channel. So we'll say def connect, or maybe we can say stream. Maybe we can just stream. What things can mods do? You can moderate the chat if someone said something that's, you know, not workplace professional communication. Then you could, you know, delete the message. Exactly. Wait. What can you do? That, exactly. You could do that right there. You could delete the message straight up. How's it going, Dev Piyush? Dev Piyush, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Let's see, if someone said a no word. Yeah, exactly. Jen Lu, exactly. Def stream. So we're going to say Def stream. And we're going to have, we need it to be, we want the channel name, the channel, and this is going to be a stir. And then we want it to be a callable, so a function. So callback. I think this will work. Is going to equal none. Default to none. Well, no, we want it. You have to pass it. You have to pass it in. Okay, and then this will start. So while true, and then we need to grab our network. Our network. Can you review this project, please? It's mine. Oh, Dev. Which project? Which project are you talking about? If you typed in a URL, it won't show up. Okay, I'm becoming a mod, bro. Okay, you want to become a mod? All right. RUX 10,000 mod on the way. 1 second. There you go. Boom. That should have worked. Let me know if that worked. Let me know. You should be a new color now. I just in time to catch the lesson on threading. Yep, we're doing threading. Yep, you got it. You saw it right there. We're going to do a real use case for threading in Python. Like a legitimate use case. Like this is real. Like what you could actually use threading for. What are we doing today? We are going to be writing a communication module that can receive messages and the ability to start the thread from a second file. So we're going to import this communication.py. This file is called communication.py here. Right here at the bottom of the screen. Communication.py. We'll import communication and then we'll call the stream function and we will do things. And we can also let's see, send. We'll call send channel. Let's see, channel which is going to be a string, and then a message, which will also be a string. And then we will pass on that for now. We'll pass on that for now. Pass there as well. Okay. And just to make sure that everything is all set up, I'm going to say communication to run it. And if we get no errors, we're good to go. All right, we're making progress. Testing mod, you got it. Also, nice threading. Yep, you got it, Jinlu. We're doing threading. Bro, it's working, bro. Woohoo! You did it. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. You are welcome. All right, let's see here. Grok, do all the coding stuff for me. Right, Marib? Right? Have the AI just take care of it for you. You can. It works, and it does a good job. It will work. Daily Vim. Daily driver is Vim. The only thing that bugs you is setting up the LSPs. Ah, yeah. That is extra. It is extra. I don't need them. I find that I don't need them. I just like pretty. The screen needs to be pretty because I'm going to look at it all day, right? It needs to be pretty. It needs to make me happy. Can I share a GitHub URL? You have to put it on Discord. Dev push. You have to put it on Discord because if you share a link here in chat, it won't show up. It gets filtered out. It makes it. They don't let you. YouTube is like, nope. Unless you are of special privilege. I'll see here. Oh, would you be able to utilize the sock library instead of requests? We could. We could, and we can make it. If you want to do it in hard mode, we could. We could absolutely do that, and it would be extra. And then I have to write extra parser for the HTTP. I mean, we could. It would just take longer. It would take longer. It would, and it would be fine. It would be nice. You're gonna use Vim for the next week. Hey, all right, make it a Vim. Do what makes you happy. I think that's a good one. Make what makes you happy. You think Grok is like a human? X/Twitter, like, do not feel like AI. However, human who is savage. What you think? Humans have ambitions, desires, and aspirations, and motivations, and drive, things that make them like aspire to do things. So I don't know. It's definitely different. Groovebox. Yep, you got it. It's Groovebox. Wait, did anyone ask? Oh, what color scheme? Oh, thank you for saying that, Torva. I missed Hartik's message there. Yeah, it's called Groovebox. I'm pretty sure it's spelled like Groovebox, like that. Let me double check. General.vimrc. Groovebox here, right here. So you can see here, right here. Oops, groove, right here. No, right here actually. I was doing the same spelling that Torva was doing. It's Gruvbox, right here. Groovebox. This is a color scheme, you guys. Let's see here. Oh, it's going to be campaigned with HTTP. Then requests is perfect. Yeah, exactly. We're going to do. Yeah, it's HTTP. We're doing HTTP. Just put a video in general chat of my current touchscreen gesture config. Jinlu, I'm curious about this. You were talking about it before stream started. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see this very well. So you added some touchscreen capabilities with a plugin in. Oh, nice. Look at that. And you can drag and drop and move everything. Oh, that is clean. That is very clean. Oh, look at that. Oh, that would be so good. Why, like, you've got to use your computer right there. Like, it's amazing. And you can, like, move things around and get everything so easy. Just easy gesturing. That's fantastic. Very nice. Try out a window manager sometime. I'm pretty sure. Oh, so I've got kind of a window manager. It does tiling and it moves things around for me. And I've got different desktops. And it does a good job. I think it does a pretty good job. Using Vim already shows you prefer key movements more. Yeah, I do. I like the keyboard. You guys got the keyboard. Got the keyboard going. Accompanied phone auto-corrected my finger typing. Don't worry. That's how it goes sometimes. It's like very neat, Jinlu. Jinlu, that was great. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Hyperland is just peaked. That was Hyperland that we just saw. Blade Z. Yep, that was Jinlu's Hyperland. That was phenomenal. That was fantastic. Okay. So we need to say our base URL is going to be, I already have the base URL defined over here. So this will be, we're going to need this as well, and we need this as well. Okay, let's grab and paste those. Oh, wait. Function F2. Okay, perfect. Okay. Perfect. Now let's go back over to our thing. We're going to go over here, paste that in, send URL, and then receive URL. Receive URL. Perfect. All right. Okay, what's Hyperland? Hey, Savon, good to see you. Welcome on in. Hey, Hyperland is a plugin. Was just looking at this on, where was that? Is this Hyperland? Did I already have it here? No, this is Warp. This is BAT. This is BAT. That was on, for Linux, it allows you to add finger touch screen gestures. It's pretty neat. Where did you put that? Where did you put that? Did you put it over link share? I forgot where you put it. Or is it in the setup? Or is it GitHub ideas? No. Daily driver? No. Maybe setup stuff? No, I lost it. I lost it. Wherever you put it, I remember you put it somewhere. Hypergrass is the plugin for Hyperland. Oh, Hypergrass. Right. Hypergrass, right. Okay, so let's get back into the code here because we're doing some coding here. We're gonna create today, for those who are just joining, today we're going to build a terminal chat interface. And we're gonna have the screen split in half. One side's gonna be chat and the other side's gonna be chat. And you can chat on either side and you can receive each other's messages, and it can be done from anywhere on the planet. Not just in my terminal window. Everywhere. Oh, cool, like a touchpad driver? Yeah, exactly. Fun project idea, using eye movement to move mouse a short blink to the left or yeah. That would be neat because it's hands-free at that point. Quantified quantum, you're thinking in the future, right? You're saying, okay, instead of touch, what's one step removed from that? You could do eye tracking, and then you like blink to click, right? You'd be blinking a lot. Like, using PN for chat, you got it. Exactly. So we get our send, receive, and and then I need to make sure here. Okay, so this is, we're gonna put this over here. All right, send URL, and then okay, okay. All right, we're gonna have to do some things. This will be channel, this TT, and then UID, then UID there, payload, which is gonna be message, and we're gonna do channel here, underscore. Underscore. Perfect. That's what I'm looking for. Boom. Okay. So now we're good to go there. TCI, Terminal Chat Interface. That's basically what that is. We're doing TCI. I didn't know there was an acronym for it. TCI. Can you see the link in the Discord link? Share channel, please. Dev push. Let's see here. Let me see. You said in Discord. Dev push. Where'd you? Right here? Or in the link share? In the link share? Let me check. Link share. Push. Okay, here. All right, so you got a GitHub and a portfolio on Vercel. Very nice. Ooh, getting some pretty here. All right, 1 second. Let me make that bigger. Perfect. Okay. Nice. A little blinky cursor. Full stack DevOps. Devoneer. Who am I? Technical CAD and lead instructor for cloud and blockchain. Ooh, Google DGOC. And two. Nice. Full stack developer. And then you got links to your GitHub and LinkedIn. Very nice. Whoa, look at all that. Hey, you right, Stout. Look at this. You took your README to the next level. You made that looking good. Very nice. You got your GitHub up there. And then you have all the skills and tools you use. Nice. And the clouds as well. So this is pretty good. Overall, it looks nice. And then you've got projects. Very good. Oh, a chat cord. Hey, look at where we're building this out. You Sockadeo. Very nice. Sockadeo. Very good. You're making your way. This is great. The 300,000th and second Python basic stream. I know, right, Betty? Exactly. Well, this one, it's. I think we're past basics at this point, to be honest. We're past basics. We're going a little more advanced now, and then we will keep going, and we're not going to give up. Blinky would make sure no one judges the user for parking in the disabled spot. I mean, you could get away with that. That would be one of the things. Nice. You've got a form. Does this form work? Stephen at pubnub.com. Hello. Does it work? I don't know. We're going to find out. Did it work? I don't know if it worked or not. Did it work? You got to let us know. Push, you got to let us know. Okay, let's close that out. Let me see, make sure it looks good here. Oh, we should also make sure we're connected. Send a connection request. Okay. All right. Let me get back over here. Okay. Let's see here. Python advancements would be a more fitting title today. We could change that. I wonder if we could. All right. Hey, everyone who's here, we're gonna update the stream title really quick. 1 second. Edit the stream title. Let's see. Update titles. Python Advanced. Python Beyond Basics. I'm gonna call it Beyond Basics. All right. Update. Okay. Extra. We went beyond the basics now. That's what we're doing. Beyond the basics. No, that won't work. Wait. Oh, it won't? Oh, well, what'd you have it there for? It failed. You failed. 1 second. I see something on my face. 1 second, you guys. Take care of that. Did I get it? Something's on my face. 1 second. Okay. All right. For those of you who are here, thank you for joining in. We're going to be doing some Python communication today. We've got our terminal is up here ready to go. We're going to send receive URL. We've got a communication.py. We're also going to be opening up a chat.py, which is right here. And then we will be building some methods in here. Some methods. I wonder, will that work? Python chat. Perfect. I bet you didn't know. Clip something on that Steven's face. I know. Is it still there? I can't tell. 1 second. 1 second, you guys. All right. Anyway. Okay. Thank you guys for waiting. It's like when Quantified Quantum was like, hey, when you're doing the blinking to click, to do the blinking to click for the eye tracking, it's like it made my face feel like there was something on it. And I don't think there was. I think it was just psychosomatic. Okay. I enjoy listening to this whole while working on your projects. Hey, that sounds great. Vrooman, this sounds like a good plan to me. We're actually going to do some coding. I'm really excited about this. Thanks for the connect, sir. Yeah, absolutely. You got it. Real time with Python and PubNub. You got it, Savan. You know it. Thank you, everyone, for joining on in. So we're going to be doing some Python communication today. For those who don't know, I'm Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. We are a communications platform. Here's what the website used to look like. The marketing leading platform for real-time interactive apps. And now, we upgraded it. It's all upgraded now. Deliver the live interactivity your users want. That your users want. And we are going to try a little bit that today. If you're not familiar, we're going to try it out. And we're going to build a chat in our terminal window. I'm really excited about this. It's kind of neat. And we're going to be using Python threading, and we're going to use the request library, and also import time. It's because we need to do some sleeps, some time.sleeps. Looks good. Thank you, Bryant. Thank you very much. Wow, updated the landing page. We sure did. See, before, after. Right? Before, after. Yep. And then after, and we got some, like a nice little carousel here that's in 3D. Got some 3D carousels there. Yeah, so basically the same content, just pretty. Okay, let's jump back into this. All right, so thank you, Kyle. Appreciate it. All right, looks great. Okay, I was sure this was ad for live performance audience game or updates seeing that landing first. It could, you don't know. It's hard to tell. It really is. Building websites is hard. Creating the message that you want to impart upon your audience is a difficult challenge. Okay, let's keep going here. Okay, so let's just do the stream first. Let's do the hard thing first. Connect to a channel. So that's going to be the base URL. This will be the receive URL here, like this. And then we need to reapply this every loop. So let's go here and we'll say, we don't need this. So we're just gonna get rid of that for now. And we just need channel and TT. Okay, so TT equals 0. And we've got the channel right here. So we're good to go with the channel. I wonder if, I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. All right, we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out. What I'm worried about right now is this right here. I don't know if that's gonna work. Hey, book lover, how's it going there? Hello. I hope you will be fine. I am. Actually, my AI study journey starts next September. Hey, nice. AI is fantastic. AI is fantastic. I searched for some basic Python lessons, but I couldn't understand because they were not fully detailed. We're going to be doing some full detail Python today. If you're here, hang out with us. We're going to be doing a lot of Python. And the miniature really got me. So refreshing is like nice. Nice, Savon. You have an upcoming interview. Python focused position. Any good resources for Python and Linux? I really like, if you're into it, if you're really going to do some Python, say you're a PyTorch and TensorFlow Keras. And wait, don't stop there. NumPy. You get some NumPy and Pandas, right? If you're talking about Python, these are some standard libraries. Request library, maybe some threading in there. The queues, we got to do queues. I forgot about queues. We need to import queue. Import queue. I think. Wait, what is that called? Queue. Let me 1 second. I have it over here. Let's close this window really quick. Go up here, and it's called. Where is it? QUEUE_C. Okay, right here. Perfect. Okay. So just that. Perfect. Okay, so let's close that window as well. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Thanks for your brilliant reply. Hey, book lover, no problem. Glad to have you here. There's a lot that you need. There's a lot, I think, and it is going to be very beneficial. Linux Rising Basics when? Oh, Jin Lu. Basics for Linux Rising? The last time I had Linux was, because I run on Mac now, so I'm running on Mac, right? So you can see uname, what was it? Uname is on Darwin right here. So it's been a while since usually when I do Linux all the time. I do it without GUIs. I do only terminal. I do it all in the terminal. 100% terminal. You tried, but you can't figure it out? Oh no. Chris, that sounds terrible. Which IDE theme is that? Okay, got you. Joa, if you're still here, this is Vim. So this is Vim right here. And we are also using Tmux it's called Tmux for the window pane management. Wait, let me spell that correctly. The window pane management, right? So Tmux. Whoa, hey, DevPush, you sent 20 over. Hey, thank you for the 20. My gratitudes to you. That was amazing. Thank you. All right, DevPush at DevPush. Let's see here. DevPush. Thank you. Explanation point. Party popper. I'm going to do some party poppers here. And then copy, paste. Thank you. That was great. My gratitudes to you. I appreciate it. Well, thank you so much. In Python, you need help with setting up AI with Python? Get your virtual environment going and then do all the package installations. Usually the libraries that you use are pretty good these days. Make sure you've got Python 3.12. Python 3.12 for the AIs. They don't like 3.14 yet or 3.13. Love from India. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, DevPush, I've appreciate it. Gratitudes to you. I so much appreciate it. No way you spelled management as management. I know. You saw that, didn't you? You saw that. That was good. Bet. All right. Where are you from? United States, Seattle, Washington. So USA, Seattle, Washington. Here's where I'm from. And then Vim, and then Groove Box color theme, Vim, Tmux, and then Ghosty. Ghosty is the terminal. So this is my setup. Really easy, clean setup. Is it hot out there? It's cold right now. It's about 30 some degrees, so we're okay. Welcome, actually from India. My pronunciation is Piyush. Piyush. Okay, Piyush. Gotcha. Piyush. I will remember that. If I said it right, it got a lot closer though. Piyush. Gotcha. Dev Piyush. Okay, let's get out of there. Close that. Okay, done with this. And then, so we've got our queue like that. Request time. Let me make it pretty. There we go. Nice looking good. I like to invert this. So let's make it like that. Perfect. So you can see the nice little organized, because it looks better that way. It looks better. All right, so we don't need this anymore. We got rid of that. We're done with that. Okay. So that's there. What we should do is say subscribe key equals, and then we're going to put this over here. Grab this here. F// close that. Subscribe key here. And bring this up to the top. Perfect. And then we will have a publish key, like this. Close that out. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, love it from here. Nice. That's great. Piyush. Hey, Peace, how's it going? Peace 47474. Good to see you. Can I do Kotlin in Vim? Yes, absolutely. 100%. You can do any language you can use with Vim if you want. Use your favorite text editor, though. You don't have to use mine. Let's see here. There we go. And then for what this is, we need to say publish. Publish key. Perfect. Okay. All right. Then we will put this over here, and we'll deal with that later. Okay. So that is some nice little adjustments. What's this all about? We are going to be building a communication module in Python that's going to be able to send and receive messages in your terminal window. Hey, Luis, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Today we're doing some Python Advanced, a little bit beyond basics. Is this a web crawler? This is going to be a communication, like a chat. We're going to build a chat in the terminal. Jude4H, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to see you. You joined the right channel for live coding. We're doing some live coding here. Some live coding. Can you guide me from A to Z? Lessons on Python. Yes, that's what we have actually been doing. We've been actually doing that for the last 3 weeks now. So here is all the things that we covered. We covered a lot. Literals, variables, flow control, indentation, loops, type annotation, strings, arrays, slice dictionaries, keyword arguments, dunder methods, the magic methods, classes, inheritance, operators, a lot of operators. It just keeps going. Unary, comparison operators, math logic, and short circuiting. If you don't know about short circuiting, it's a great pattern. Hey, Loop Infinity, good to see you. Hi, bro. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Good morning, Carmu. Hey, Carmu, good to see you. Happy to have you here. Good to have you here. So if you want, Book Lover, all of our live streams covered all of these things already. If the full course, basically as much as you want with Python, everything that you need to be successful with Python. So today we're doing communication. That's what we're doing today. We are doing communication today. So it's going to include queues, requests, threading, and a little bit of... we'll see. Oh, regular expressions. Ooh, regex or regex. Yeah, you got it. Hey, fake faux bandy. Faux bandy, good to see you. Welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing, faux bandy. Regex is a we should be covering regex. We should. It's a pattern. Let's see, R, and you can specify some. It's a matching. It's a matcher, right? My regex equals a matcher. Let's see if we can do that real quick. Python. Can we say what is R equals R ABCD? Let's see. Can we do dir R? Is this actually regex? Is it built in? Title, translate, and replace. Is there a match? Is there a match in here for it says match? I don't see it. I think we have to import it. Who's that? Shoot a heap. Shoot a deep. Wait. Shoot. And then we also got Adriel. Andrea, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in, you guys. Good to have you here. Coding with Python. You got it, Laura. Laura Max, we're doing some coding with Python. And someone was asking about regex. So import regex. Do we have that? Yeah. Regex dot dir. Let's do dir regex. What do you got in here? What do we got? Search, split, sub, match. Interesting. Okay. So how do we use regex? It's been so long. All right. Python regex example, and I will walk you guys through this really quick. Regular expressions is a great way to, let's see here. Okay, pattern, re dot. Oh, okay. So we could also import re, which is another lib. Okay, and then we can say pattern. All right, so we pattern equals our pattern structure here. Bro, you look like Sandra Bullock. Hey, that's my favorite actress. Carmu, you remember. Import RE. Hey, Shivini, thank you. Yep, you got it. That's what we're doing. For those of you who are just getting here, we're doing Python. Someone was talking about regular expressions, so we're going to try some regular expressions. Match this, right? It's going to do match this. You could also match this or this. Actually, it's like or this, right? So you could do that. This is like very simple pattern here. So you can say re.match, and you say our pattern. Oh, but also, one second, before we do that, let me type pattern properly. Pattern with an N at the end. Re.match Let's make sure this is a function. Yep, okay, good. Then we say pattern, and then we give it a string, hello, and then it's going to return false. Oh, well, it should. Hold on, wait. Wait. Why did it not do anything? Is that not if match? So shouldn't it have printed something out? Hold on. Matched equals... Wait, timeout. We're going to figure this out. Matched. M-A-T-C-H-E-D. Not matched. True? It is something. What? The REPL didn't print anything out. I'm not used to this. Why? Match. Oh, I need to use search. Okay, let's use search. Okay. We'll use search. Hey, John Deere, good to see you. Welcome on in. That Sandra Bullock comic is funny. I know. Just a thank you. You learned that regex in college? Hey, nice. What's he doing? Hey, yes, good to see you. Welcome on in. We're doing Python. We're looking at regex really quick. We're doing some regex. Just a smidge of regex. So re.search instead of match, pattern. And did I spell that right? Yeah. And then we'll have hello. And that should return false. Why is it not printing anything? I want it to print something. All right, let's do this. Print. P-R-I-N-T. None. Oh, what about this? None. But we had pattern. Oh, this. Okay, hello. Okay, here we go. Say or dash this. There we go. Now we got a match. Okay. So let's see. Let's do match instead. Match. Okay, match. Yep. Okay. So basically, it's like a string search. However, you can create all sorts of patterns and designs. So like, for example, your pattern can look like this. You can say \W for a single character, and you can say plus for anything essentially that's a word, right? So anything that's a word at that point. So then you could say ra.match, like a number that should match. Yep. However, if you do anything that's not like a word, like a space, you'll get nothing. Right, nothing. Have you played GTA 3? Of course! Can you teach us threading? Yes, that's what we're going to do today. That's the plan for today. Stick around, everyone. We're doing threading. You knew we don't know what we're doing here? All right, technology gamer, or technology learner, 2009. We're going to be teaching threading today. Here we go. We're going to do some threading. And some good threading that is actually useful in Python. Because threads aren't good for much in Python, except for networking. Steven's new edit and link share on Discord. Oh, excellent, Kyle. Thank you. The new edit. The clip. The clip is what you're talking about. Which is your favorite game? Favorite game? Probably like the Harvest Moon style games, right? Where you're a farmer and everything's chill and you're planting things. Web scraping, please. Sure, we'll add some web scraping in here. So let me add that. We might not do that today. However, let me add that into our README for the web scraping. Do we have that? Web scraping. We have it here. It's already here. So we actually do. It's on the list. We're doing web scraping. That might be a thing tomorrow or maybe Monday. How do you make real-time subtitles? Ooh, I got it right here ready for you. Check this out. So you just Google for add subtitles to your stream, easy OBS integration or something like that. I don't know. This right here, it's a link share in our Discord, and it lets you add subtitles. It lets you add subtitles to your stream very easily and very quickly, right? They're looking pretty good. They're all called open captions because you can't turn them off. Really, how can you be so nice and humble? Oh, well, thank you. That's just the way we're doing it. I mean, that's just life right there. Threading in Python outside of networking is meh. Exactly. Exactly, Laura Maxwell. Because it doesn't do anything else. It's just there for the asynchronous nature, right? Data structures and algorithms in Python. We could do that as well. Good to have you guys here. All right, you guys, we're going to be jumping back into the terminal. Before I do that, those you don't know I'm Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. We connect over 1 billion devices on my network today. And we're using it right now. We're using it today. And I've got 68 patent claims that have been granted. I've actually got them. They're on my LinkedIn profile. 25 years in tech. Everything that's worked for me, I'll tell you how it works. And I'll be happy to give you anything that you have a question. Do you have a startup of business? Yes, I do, Mochi. Right here. This is my business. Right here. Been doing it for over a decade now. Over a decade, guys. Tanvir, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. You joined just in time for us to get started on some threading. What does web scraping really mean? Buka-san, the web scraping means that you can go to a website and you download all of their text. You grab all the text. And if you want also all the images, so you see all the text here and everything, it allows you to scrape all that text and store it as knowledge that you can use to train artificial intelligence with. You can do it. You can train it. You can steal content. And it's yours now because you downloaded it with web scraping. You can do it. Best policy is don't do it if you're a beginner. Whoa, thank you for sharing your plentiful knowledge. Laura, anything I can do, let me know. Happy to do it. Extraction of data from web pages and arrange into a data frame. Ooh, there you go. I came in 5 minutes, bro, for what? Take a break and keep hydrated. Yes, keep hydrated, you guys. And eat healthy. The best framework for RAG. LangChain is pretty good, right? I think it's the industry standard. LangChain. Should you ever use a single framework? You can just build your own. Hey, how's it going there, technology learner? Saying hi. And then E65666 says nice. Thank you for saying nice. All right, let's get into it. We're going to do threading, right? Threading here. Let's do it. All right, so this is going to be the time pointer here. Hey, Charles Johnson, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. You find graphs tough? Graphs can be tough. They can be. Charles Johnson, thank you. All right, so we get channel subs key. All that looks good. All right, so now we need to make a request. Response equals requests. requ request.get. I think we can do that. Let me double check. Import requests. Requests.get. Is that a thing? Yep, it sure is. Can we say this? https://google.com/ and then we close that. We got a response. Okay. Resp equals. All right. Go like that. Get rid of that. Go back over here. And then resp here is a response. Dir resp. What's inside that? What's in here? Do you have a body? We have text. All right, let's try that. Response.text. There, that's what. All right, nice. That's what I like to see. Okay, so we can just say .get and then response. We'll say yeah, we'll receive URL. Perfect. Seems good to me. Seems perfectly fine to me. Hey, how's it going there? Purdy plays. Good to see you. Welcome on in. My favorite thing to do is remake apps on your own preferences. Personal use only naturally. Hey, you're doing it the right way. Rebuild an app. That's a good idea. I didn't even think about that. Bro, how's it going? Good to see you guys. Hey, how's it going, Dan Miller? Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Twisted is a pretty good intellectual exercise for beginners in async IO. Twisted is it's an intellectual exercise. You got it. Where did you get those keys? Oh, these keys are available. Well, you could also use demo keys. You could say demo. You can use these keys, so you could say demo here. You could also do demo. We could do that. We'll just do demo to make it so that way, because the other keys that you see on screen, they might go away. You never know. Let's see here. How's it going there? Ben Aka Glitch. Let's see here. Remember tips for CS undergrads, please. Build an app and release it to the public and get users. That's one of the most important things you got to do. Build an app and release it. Okay, where are we here? Here. I need to do this try. We do accept E, something like that maybe. And then finally, let me go time.sleep 0.1. Keep things simple and clean. Accept. Continue. Okay. And then we say response. Okay, is there a JSON? Hold on one second. Python import requests. And then response. And then dir resp. What do we got here? Can we do JSON? There is a JSON. All right, response.json. Okay, data. Okay, print data. We're gonna try that. And see if that works. We'll see if that works. Okay. Your name is Jason? Okay, Jason. I will have a very hard time remembering that because it says your name is Fredo. What up? What's up, Mud? How's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Hey, Death Striker. Are you working on Vi? We are. This is Vim right here. We got some Vim right here. A little bit of Vim. I also recommend DSP from MIT for rag. Oh, thank you, Savon. Good recommendation. Time.sleep. Now I'm tired. I know, right, Kyle? Is how it goes. Oh, what are we doing? Hey, Patrick. Did I say your name right? Patik? Oh, Pratik. Pratik, good to have you here. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Yeah, it's Vim. Yep, you got it. You got it. Hello, you guys. It's so good to see ya. Hope you're having a good day. Where do you work? At home. I work at home. This is where I work. I like it here. It's great. We used to have an office. It was so beautiful. You know, we had the brick facade and the kitchen that always had food in it and catered. And everyone would go, oh, hey, is food here? Yep, food is here. And then you just go and eat the food. And then it was great. And then, 2020 happened. Everyone went work from home. And now working from home is what we just decided to keep doing. So that's remote work for everybody, you guys. What are you working on? This is a communication module in Python that we're currently doing. We're currently doing a communication module. So let me see here if that still works. Close that. Python communication. There we go. Perfect. All right. No errors so far. No errors so far. Looking good. All right. Let's see here. Let me go here. So stream. Oh, what we should probably do is add the threading logic inside of this. We should call stream. Let me think about that. Like, what are we making with Python? Yeah, so this will be a chat app. We're going to do a chat app in the terminal window right here. So we're going to have a chat app right here. That's the plan for today. Are you overemployed in 2026? That sounds like an introduction to a commercial. Are you going to give us a commercial, like an infomercial? We're building a real-time TUI with Python and PubNub real-time API. Thank you, Stefan. Yeah, that's exactly. Communication model inception. You got it. Can we use Flask and TensorFlow? Yes, you can. You can use Flask and TensorFlow and PyTorch if you want, all in one, to create a web app. How do I deploy? You would enable inference mode in PyTorch or TensorFlow. You would load the model in when you start the application, and then you would start the web server with Flask or Fast API. And then you would just communicate over that, over your HTTP server. And you're good to go. And you just created an API that is AI powered. You did. You just created it. The best lazy app I've ever seen was a .screen app. The developer progressed, so did their app. Really neat to see it grow. Isn't it? That's the right way to go about it. Just keep things going. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Can you work 16 hours a day for 2 full-time jobs? I mean, Kurt, if you wanna, you could. If you want to, you could. I don't recommend it. What AI are you using? I've been using Llama. I currently use mostly Claude and Gemini. I use Claude and Gemini. Building your own AI. Today, we are writing our code from scratch. Hey, Legendary, good to see you. Welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. Lupe, how's it going? Loonpin. Thank you for saying hello. All right, so let's go over here. All right, so finding time sleep. Okay, I want to make sure that all the threading is invisible to the end user. So what we need to do is we need to make another function here. Let's see, start stream. Then we'll have channel, and it's a stir, and we'll have a callback. And this will do a thread. I need to check here. Threading dot. Well, I've got an example over here that I could refer to really quick from a previous project that we did. Where'd that at? Let's see here. Up here. And then okay. So threading dot thread target and args. Okay, that's easy. We can deal with that. Hi, which company are you working? I have my own company. It's called PubNub. Thank you for asking. All right, so you guys, you're asking. My name is Stephen Blum. I am the CTO, founder of PubNub. We raised $134 million at a Series E. We are 1 billion devices on our network today. 68 patent claims have been granted with 25 years of experience in tech. More than that, but I'm just talking about professionally. This is my company right here, PubNub. It is an API to enable communication for in-app experiences. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. This is my company. It's real. We do like telemedicine, e-commerce. So you can see 87 million monthly bids. Oh, live, right? You press the button for the bid. Fintech, 10 million monthly transactions. Call centers, 19 million monthly tickets in a call center. And then, have you heard about food delivery apps? Have you ever heard about that? 137 million deliveries per month. And iGaming and sports and casino. A whole bunch of things, you guys. This is what we do. Had to temporarily disconnect your desktop. Uh-oh. Internet download on a separate laptop. Not the one running Linux. Okay. Jinlu, you know what? This is my company. So Akash, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you guys here. And today we are actually using the API here. We're using the API. I'm showing you guys how to use it to build a TUI for chat. To build a TUI chat. Better use multiprocessing or async. Yes, you could do that too. You could do that too. Can you get a programming job with no degree? Leo, yes. Well, I did. I did back in the day, although I don't know if that works for everyone. I can also tell you that I have hired people without degrees. So it does work. It does. You can do it. It's brilliant, Laura. Thank you. Since this is an IO intensive app rather than processing power, I think, yeah, I'll start with this. I'll start with this sort of layout, and then we'll see if we can evolve it from there. If we can evolve it. Can you get a programming job? Yes, without a degree. Absolutely, you can. I've done it. We've done it before. You subscribed? All right. Akash, thank you for subscribing. Good to have you here. We are doing some live coding. Okay, all right, let's get this going here. So threading.thread, and then we say, what is it? Target equals stream, right? We're going to stream, and then args equals channel, comma, callback. There we go. Start streaming. Oh, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. Well, actually, wait. We got to say this will be thread equals, and we'll say thread dot start, and then we'll say return thread. Hey, sound effects. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome in. It's good to have you here. Return thread. There we go. No, just a regular thread. Thank you for subscribing, you guys. This is great. Thread. Okay. So this will start the stream with the channel. Looks good to me. And that's the only one that we need there from that perspective. Oh, wait. I should probably execute it so it works there. Rage bait? What are we rage baiting? Python is such an ugly language. Hey, hold on a second. Of all the languages, look at the symbols that are available here. They're very simple. There's only parentheses and colons and commas and an equal sign, right? There's no like crazy there's no, it's clean. I think it's clean. Let's see. What do you suggest would be a good way to learn coding by yourself? There are so many code learning resources online. It feels like overwhelming. Any suggestions? Dav, you build an app. That's my recommendation. Figure out what you want to build and then try to figure out how to build it. It's gonna change your life. It'll change your life. Bro, self-learning rocks. It does. RUX 10,000, you know it. Have you worked with Dart? Yes. Or React? Yes. Native. Yep. Which do you like the most? I'm mostly familiar with React Native. Dart is fine. If you're working with the Flutters, right? Working with Flutter, it works either way. I won't code unless my language uses... Wait, what is that? A whole bunch of diamonds? What is that? What are you doing over there? Python is easy to read, faster to debug, and less to tech debt. Kurt, that's why I like it. And that's also why it is the premier language for data science. It's a foundational language. You kind of need to know it. You got it. Why blurred? What's blurred? Awesome. I think so too. How to learn robotics. Loop Infinity, get started with an ESP or an Arduino. Then you're off to the races. Steven, see Discord DMs. I sent you some rules for mods. Check if they work with you. Sure, I'll check right now because you asked. All right, so I'm going to hide that. You guys can't see what I'm looking at. Hold on a second. All right. That's a lot of rules. Okay. Yes. That looks great. I read it really fast. Context is king. Foreign language, religion, vulgar, team coordination, activity requirements. Don't argue with trolls. Yeah. All right, that's pretty good. I can kind of share that. So this is pretty good. Discipline. Yep. Perfect. Quantify quantum. Let's make it happen. Let's do it. I like it. And then you got timeouts and stuff in here. Yep. This seems good. Irrelevant spam, right? What are you talking about? Mod. Immediate mod. You got it. You got it. That was great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's get back to this over here. Data science, data structures and algorithms, or machine learning? Machine learning, of course. DSA, for the most part, is already available in libraries that you just import, and you're like, yeah, done. DSA done. Machine learning, you need to know a bit more than just importing a library. Steven, is software development still in demand? I think so. I'm using it every day, all day. Myself and my team. We do use the AIs to write the code for us. We're still engineering. We just don't type as much as we used to. That's it. We just don't type as much as we used to. Arduino will be mostly C# programming. There are some Python libraries for it too. That's good, right? Clean, easy, good to get started. Perfect. We start with threading and then show the performance improvements with async IO, since there's no global interpreter lock involved. Yeah, you got it. Thank you for the likes, you guys. COBOL is your favorite language? No, is it? Are you sure? Are you sure? I don't know about that. I feel like I'm not believing you on that. Okay, let's go over here. All right, so did we get, I think this is it. So we need to do callback data. All right, here, data. So we could do that. Perfect. I think that's it. I think that's all good. So we get start stream. Let's go ahead and do a start stream. And then we will do channel called hello. We'll just call this chat channel. And the callback will equal a lambda, a m colon m. That's it. We won't do anything. It'll just be a placeholder. It'll just be a placeholder. Python communication. Okay. Hey, there we go. All right, now we're doing it. That's what I'm looking for. Hey, this is great. Works first time. No errors. I love it. You're an electronics major. You are interested in coding. Any advice? Yes, Python. So what we're currently doing is we're coding Python. Python is very common in electrical engineering. Thank you for the party poppers, you guys. We did it. We did it. If AI bubble bursts, what do you think will happen to developers? You'll need even more. We'll need even more. Also, I don't think there's a burst. I think it's just going to be a slow adoption. It's just going to be a slow adoption. Because AI is already good enough to do a massive amount of automation that is not being taken advantage of right now. Today, live stream, PubNub, CTO accidentally DDoSes PubNub. Jinlu, don't worry. We are good to go. We have a very powerful say. If you get, I'm very happy with it. It's everything auto scales. Everything auto scales. We've got DDoS protection techniques and mitigation technologies. We've got auto scaling. We've got everything running on ARM processors. We're good. We're good. I think we're pretty good. Also, everything's in C. Everything's in C, you guys. Everything's in C and Rust. So we're doing pretty good. Options. Option insights. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Do the auto scalers auto scale? They do. The auto scalers auto scale. You got it. Wait, you run PubNub? You on ARM processors? Jinlu, we do. We do. It's all on ARM processors. Isn't that great? I wanted to do that for 10 years. 10 years. And we've been running on ARM processors for a few years now. And then we moved most of it last year. Most of it was last year. You want advice for a career in information technology? All right, sounds good to me. Tell me about it. Okay, looks good there. All right, so we're looking good. Cool. Great. Excellent. Okay. So this is good. This is good. Wait. Wait, I got to double check that this works. I got to double check. All right, so print that. So we should see nothing. Looks good. See nothing. Perfect. Okay. And we're going to say print m. Is that going to work? Is that going to work? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. All right. Start stream. That's so great. Oh, that's so good. Oh, it's so good. We'll do this. Right. So see here. If __ main. How do we do the if main? I forgot how to do that. So if main Python. How do we do that? I don't usually use this. Name _ name. Okay. If name equals main, then do this. Bring that perfect. There we go. Just like that. ARM processors are highly efficient. Yeah, they are. I love them. Energy efficiency so we're running Rust and ARM processors at the same time, right? With the best combination ever in the whole world. Isn't it great? Python is great. I can have my auto dataset analyst, model training, model inference. Yeah, all in the one. Web scrapers, probably anything. 100% right. Nice monkey man. Nice monkey man. You're right. Everything in Python. That's why it's so valuable and beneficial. It's great. It's great. So many now, it makes sense. I'll join. You jot something on Discord. Sounds good. Sounds good, Savon. If name main. Did I do it right? Let me see if I did it right. No, I didn't, because we have to do that. There we go. We figured out to double equal instead of equal. Yep, thank you. You got it. Imagine PubNub runs on Ashy Linux. Linux for Apple Silicon. Oh, that would be different. Yeah, that would be different. No, we run Debian, you guys. We run on Debian. Now, what to do? Okay, so we're gonna make a chat. We're gonna make a chat. So that does that side of things. So now all we have to do is do the send part. So we got the channel and the message. So we're gonna do request.get send, and then what is this? Do we have the message? We don't have that, so let's get rid of that. We've got the message there, and that will be. So let's say, actually, can we say what we should do is import JSON. Okay, we'll import JSON, and then we will go over here, and we will say instead we'll say JSON.dumps with an S. Perfect, perfect. Looking good there. Okay, okay. Debian is solid. Yep, you got it. You use Arch, by the way. Nice. Arch Linux makes beats. How's it going there, Calvin? Good to see you, Calvin. Pee Wee Herman. Oh wait. Trevor Brown, Pee-wee, hashtag Pee-wee Herman. I remember that. I remember that character. Kurt, interpreted it is. Yeah, you got it. It's interpreted. What are the advantages of interpreted language? The advantage is faster to run, easy, like instantaneous. See how quick that was? Instant. If I did that in Rust, it would take a smidge longer. Just a little bit longer. What do we do? Hey, Daniel, we are building a communication module in Python today. Communication module in Python. All right. What's your job? Oh, gun. All right, so here, I'll show you. Hey, if you don't know who I am, my name is Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. Started PubNub over a decade ago. We are a business that provides APIs to developers who want to enable in-app communication for experiences like call centers, transportations and logistics, like deliveries, food delivery, right? Gaming, right? Multiplayer games, sports and media, all sorts of things. Anything that you want to have one device talk to another device. And if you look in the App Store today, the top 10 apps all have built-in app communication, multi-user experiences. That's my company. You've already used it. You didn't know. Can you give me 128 gigs of DDR RAM? I need that. It's expensive, right? It's expensive, you guys. So that's what I do. I've got 68 patents that have been granted already. Thanks for explaining it. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Good to have you here. It's 1 a.m. in India. Watching you is pure dopamine for is it? All right, thank you. I take that as a compliment. Thank you so much. You don't DDoS PubNub. PubNub DDoSes you. Piggybacking on the Chuck Norris meme. Yeah, exactly. When did you start? Can I code along with you? Yes, code together. Let's do it, Trad. Let's code together, Trad. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Bring up your terminal window. Let's code together. You already missed the free RAM giveaway. I know, right, Kyle? That was yesterday. You're too late. That was yesterday. In an alternative universe, Steven just does some jobless person in their 20s who likes Java. Genlu, that is frightening. That is a terrifying. Don't say that. Don't say it. I don't want to think about that. I think of a previous company using this pre-pandemic era. Different department, but not mine. That happened a lot. It did. That was a common thing. It was. When 2020 hit, things were like, everyone was on the internet. Everyone. Hi from Egypt. How's it going there, Ahmed? Good to see you. Slow the whole screen, please. It's slow. It's slow. We're going slow. I'll start leaving Python. PHP. PHP is great. Let's do it. Let's do PHP. I'll do Python. You do PHP. Okay, so we've got this. We're going to receive send request, send URL. Perfect. And we'll say resp equals. Well, actually, we'll just try. And then I'll go over here. We'll say accept E. And then just pass. And then, how about this? Return none. Or How about this? I better return that. There, perfect. All right. Well, wait. I've got a better idea. Let's do this. Let's do data response. Would be better. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you for those hearts. The heart icons. So response equals this. And then we say data or basic parse response. I actually could do this right here. Check this out. Right there. Let's copy and paste. It so we keep things easy. Thank you guys for the hearts and reactions. I appreciate enclose request with a try catch. Aye, that's what we're doing right now. You know it. Kurt, thank you. That's exactly what we're doing. How many hours you used to code in the early career? I don't know. I don't remember. I started coding when I was 11. So, and I don't count that as part of my professional experience. That was just for making fun apps and games. And throw errors into a log? Yeah, we should. We should do an error log. We should. Return data. Actually, what I want to do here is instead of data, return. Perfect. Okay. Looking good now. Return none or return data. Perfect. That's it. I think that's it. That's all we got to do. That's it. Let me do a thing here. Let's go while true. Because we're doing a test now. We're doing a test. All right. Test for the module. Module. Is that right? Module. Yeah, perfect. Bro, be ready. New memes getting ready. All right, REX 10,000, thank you. What are we coding? Hey, Puneet, we are coding a communication module in Python. Right here, we're doing communication module. It's going to be able to send and receive messages in the chat with threading ability that it's going to be able to be really easy to use with our chat right here. And we haven't written anything. It's an empty file right now. It's a chat. And we're going to be it's going to be a really easy app. And we just did the threading, you guys. We just did the threading. So we're doing a callback. And I think that's sufficient for now because I think that's enough. We could use a thread safe queue, which I don't think we're currently using. So I'm going to comment that out. Fun is subjective. A real game developer would know that. Kyle, you gotta say, you're saying things logically. I get it. It makes sense. So you started at a younger age than you, but I'm also younger than you, so that evens it out, does it, Chen? Nice. Yeah, that's you're on your way. That means you're ahead of everyone else. Don't stop now. Keep going. To think they wanted to power the fridges they wanted to power the fridges with Java. No, don't do it. Good thing you turned off the inline AI suggestions. Pure skill. Kurt, yeah. Kurt, I don't know if it was you. Thank you. I don't know if it was you. It was like 3 months ago or 2 months ago. They said, bro, turn off the Copilot. I'm like, I usually want it off anyway, so I turn it off. And so now we're coding by hand, purely by hand here. All right, is that going to work? All right, we've got an error there. Let's see here. Because obviously, while true, time.sleep. We'll do 1. So we'll do 1 per second. Okay. We also forgot the TT, so we got to deal with the TT. So that's something we got to do. How's it going there, Delba? Good thing you're here. Is there any website for downloading safe PC apps I want to download? I do not know anymore. Back in the day, it was something else. I don't know what it is anymore. Although After Effects, good for video editing. Yep. I don't know though. If I knew, I would tell you. I would tell you even on Discord. I would say, hey, send me a DM. I'll give you the address. I don't know anymore. I buy everything legit now. I guess you should also do live and horizontal. I do. You can do streams in both. I do. So it's on here on LinkedIn. Right here on LinkedIn. So if you want to see the horizontal stream, it's right here. Right here, you guys. Horizontal stream right here. Boom, right here, loaded. Here's the horizontal stream. Right there. Yep, see, right there. Horizontal stream. If you're interested. Oh, hey, someone said something. Love the constant Python live sessions. Oh, thank you. Thank you at Stan Ishlav. Excellent. Is it going to go? Is it going to actually go? Reply. Well, okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, so there it is. If you want, the horizontal stream's over there. Otherwise, thank you for all the reactions, you guys. Appreciate it. Steven does, however, have a really good long-form video prompt. I do. If you haven't seen it, it's pretty big. It's a lot of scripts. It is a lot of scripts. Stephen, why aren't you using the Python SDK? Oh, hey, I know, right? Because we're trying to show you how threading works. That's what we're doing. You could use the Python SDK if you want. Thank you for the actions, you guys. Since when can you live stream on LinkedIn? I know, right, Jinlu? Who thought ever knew? And why don't you have a horizontal on Twitch? Oh, well, because I'm waiting for the day that Twitch decides that mobile form factor is better. That's what I'm doing. I'm waiting for the day, and then I will be there and ready to go. I'll be there and ready to go. Have you tried Claude or something? Yes, that's the one I use. I use Claude and Gemini. Losing your grips on actual coding? You got to do what I'm doing right now. Puneet, type code by hand every now and then. You got to do it every now and then. That's why I'm streaming right now. I'm streaming. Here's why I'm streaming, if you guys didn't know. Because I've got my own company. I've got a lot to do. I take care of a lot of things. And I don't have a lot of time. However, I'm streaming because I want to keep my coding skills fresh, right? I'm going to keep everything up to speed because I code by hand while streaming. I also get my knowledge from you guys. You guys give me all this information about the market, the industry. You tell me about new AI things, you give me new ideas, and I take that stuff and I tell my company about it. Everything that you do on here on chat, I read and I bring back to my company. It's because you guys, so thank you. Thank you. Now I'm loving this coding session, Steven. Nice, Kurt. Thank you. Have you tried Claude? Yep, we got Claude going. Oh, Minecraft. I love Minecraft. It's one of my favorite games. Successing Grok and Gemini, and then a quick virus scan, and then in Minecraft, you could get them right that way. You could. You use Claude usually for designing things. Ah, nice. Also try Gemini 3 Pro when you get a chance, Kurt. It is improved. It is improved. Love you, bro. Thank you. Hey, Peyton, thank you. Thank you, Peyton. Good to have you here. All right, let's keep going. All right, where's our bug at here? Is it? Oh, we fixed it. Okay, we fixed it. Great. Excellent. We fixed it. We fixed it. This is great. We fixed it. Okay, so while true, we want to send channel. All right, so what is my channel? Channel equals chat. That. Perfect. So it's a channel right there. Send channel. And then our message is going to be hello with exclamation points. So that should show up. And I do need to do a little bit extra. Oh, it's not showing up. What's going on? Oh, because I'm using 0. Okay, right. Okay. TT equals 0. And then where's our data at? Okay, so our data is there. So I need to go data. Let's see. TT equals data. 1. Basically. 1 like that. Okay. I think that's it right there. Perfect. Okay. And to make it pretty. Nah, it's fine. We don't need to make it that pretty. We don't need to make it that pretty. Okay. Steven, check out OpenCode. Oh, OpenCode. Yes, there's OpenCode. Great alternative to Claude Code and Gemini and Codex. Gemini Live was your big help earlier when you upgraded the RAM in your laptop and to take that battery out. Oh, Gemini has been pretty useful for me too. I mostly use Gemini for standard stuff. And then when I get into coding, then I jump over to Claude for the most part. And then we got to check out OpenCode. You got it. Oh, that rubber ducking session, but ducks that interact with through comments. Kurt, you saw that? You're selling consulting for UX, AI design, right? Etc., right? Oh, wait, who is? Oh, you might be talking to someone else in chat there. Oh, you like AI? Name every AI model, right? Prove that you like AI. Prove it. See if you can prove it. Okay, let me see. See, did stream looks good. Okay, close over here. So let's see here. Start. And is that okay? Oh, we got it. We've got a collision. We got a problem here. Got a problem. Okay. What is the issue? How is this? Because I put it on a thread, so it should be allowing to keep going. Start stream thread.start. Because I didn't say join. The duck, yeah, quack. Got the quack. So the fingers don't forget. Yes, exactly. Don't forget got to keep your fingers nimble and active. What the deal? 1 second, let me check this. Threading start. Yeah, see, this should work perfectly fine. Target looks good. Okay, what is? Let me see here real quick. Okay, all right. Is that why? Is that why? All right, so maybe we could say time out equals 1. Did I end up doing that? Is that really what I did? Okay. All right. So let's see here. One second. Python exception 3.12. Let's try this real quick. Let's see how to deal with this. I forgot. One second. It's just a change in syntax. Example syntax. Example syntax. Try. Except. Yeah, use Gemini all the time. Good to have you guys here. I'm just doing a little bit of debugging on my side real quick. All right, except error. Wait, except wait. Generic except. How do we do this? So this part right here is let's see here. What is it? Is that's a problem right there, right? I need to figure out how to fix that. That's broken. What? Oh, exception. Okay. Exception as E. Okay, perfect. There we go. Now we should be good. Hey, perfect. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So that gets me what I want there. Good to go. Seems fine to me. We've got a problem though because it stops. Hey, what's going on here? I'm new to programming. Oh, Olo, guess what? We are doing we're building a communication app, a communication module in right now, essentially Python. We're showing you how to do threading. We're showing you how to do networking, and we'll build a chat app here pretty soon. That allows you to chat back and forth with yourself between split windows in the terminal. Oh, hey, that was interesting. That was interesting right there. See, we're learning new things. Enhance your loop. This is dangerous, especially when not handled properly. Like infinitely, try something, some upper bounds, Kurt. Yes. So, right. So this is a thread. We want it to run forever until we don't, essentially. Forever until we don't. So we might be hitting a problem here, I think. So there might be a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print E. See if that works there. Thank you for the reactions, you guys. Sweet. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Doctor Who is such a masterpiece. I like it. I think it's pretty. Hey, Colin, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. All right, see here. Oh, nope, didn't see that. Okay. All right. HP connection pool, read timeout. Seems fine to me. Is this even working? Hold on a second. Oh. Okay, so maybe your send just isn't working. That must be up. All right, now I'm feeling good. Print hello world. Hello world print. I can't. Tech bits. That's hilarious. I like that. You inverted it. Screenshot. Thank you, Kyle. Where should I start if I want to learn coding? Oh, pink sprinkles. Python. Start with Python. If you want, there is a file here that we've been keeping track of everything that we've been doing. So as you can see right here, hold on a second, right around here, for W colon. I just saw something on my screen and where'd that go? Okay. Yeah. So to get started, YouTube is a great place to generally start seeing what's possible with software engineering and programming. You might also want to use an AI to get you started, to build some apps for you, see how it does that, and then start copying what it does. That's what it is. Not Mulgaboogle, right? Not Mulgaboogle. Yeah, that language is insane. Why do you stream late nowadays? Oh, common. It's almost 11 p.m. for me. I stream whenever I get a chance to, basically. Because usually I've got busy. I've got some things that are taken care of. I've got to deal with some certain things. How's it going, Destiny? Good to see you. You have coding dreams. Oh, you do? People think I'm dumb and I want to start. What should you learn? Destiny? Python? I don't know. I'm always going to say Python if you ask me. Or JavaScript. Maybe is a good place to start because it's web development, right? GTD, gotta go. Keep up the good work, Steven. Thank you, Kurt. Appreciate it. Good to see you. Thank you for stopping by in. We'll see you next time. Thank you, Pink Sprinkle. You're welcome. Happy to help, bruh. Is your tech videos are there on your channel? I want like data analysts and SD. What is SD? What is SD? I forgot. What is SD, you guys? For data science do you mean DS? Did you mean DS for data science? So you want to do here, you want NumPy, you want pandas, You want scikit. You want PyTorch. Right here. There you go. There you go. That's with Python. 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 These guys right here. That's what you want. Software developer. Oh, software developer. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. Okay, not dying. As I should know that acronym. I should know that. You're like, Steven, for shame. For shame, Steven. Why didn't you know about SD? Did you mention that the Gemini Pro is better than Opus? It is. You're right. It is. It's better. You got it. It's doing better. It's near the top. So yeah, if you want to do Python, these are good right here. NumPy, Pandas, PyTorch, TensorFlow, Scikit, Matplotlib. Ah, nice, Monkey Man. Matplotlib as well. Yep. You got it. Scikit. You got it. Matplotlib. Matplot. Right? Matplotlib. Matplotlib. All right. So let's get going here. Looking through that. Okay. I think our send is broken. So let's see here. Do print response. Oh, data equals. Oh no, actually, you know what? Let's do this. Let's see. Print. We'll do that. print. Perfect. All right, let's see if that works. Okay. Is it working? Oh, there's a problem. Oh, good. Okay, I'm so glad. This is great. I'm like, is it working? I don't even know if it's working. Something's broken. And there is something broken. We'll find out what it is here. Print exception as E. We'll do this. Print E. Okay. Yep. All right. Rerun. Go. Okay. Invalid key. What? Oh, yeah. All right, perfect. All right, I knew we had a problem somewhere. All right, we're gonna figure this out. All right, thank you guys. All right. Boom. All right, sub. Perfect. There we go. All right, now we're good. Hey, there we go. Oh, I was so worried, you guys. What about Pygame? Oh, it's a great. Matplotlib is great. Yeah, you got it. Nice, Monkey Man. I love it. I use it a lot. We will be using even more on stream later. Remember how someone said, you like AI? Name every AI? Check your DMs. Jinlu, did you name every AI? Did you name every single AI? I know we did so Brock had a recent AI power ranking. So you can see in here, Brock, if you're not familiar with Brock, thank you for the hearts and reactions, you guys. Appreciate it. Accidental desktop leak. Well, I mean, sort of. You can see some stuff. There's nothing scary back there. But if you want to see it, you can see it now. You can see it now, just for a quick second, though. What about Python for backend? Yeah, fast API, and then Flask as well. So you can see here, let's take a look. Where's Gemini? Select all. We do all power rankings. Let's do this. Let's see. Yep, all open round. We'll do open round. Perfect. Thank you for the hearts and reactions, you guys. Appreciate it. Look at that. Look at who's number one on the list. Gemini 3 Pro. Up there at the top. Sales developer, right? Savant, it could have been sales developer. You never know. How's it going there, Chai Hono? What are you? Good to have you here. Tinker can do interfaces, which is handy. Tinker can be handy. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. You should see in the DMs. All right, Jinlu, I'll check it because you asked. Let me hide some stuff over here real quick. Jinlu, where are you at? Did you send it? Okay, accept. Okay, 1 second. Okay. All right, you did. Look at this. Did you really? Whoa, look at that. Where'd you get this? I think that's enough. That's pretty good. TNG, Avid, Z. That's a lot. Oh, right. Nemotron, DeepSeek, Moonshot, Mistral, Minimax. You've got another Nemotron here. More DeepSeek. Anthropic, of course. You got OpenAI. Where else we got? So that's about it. Meta. We got Meta, and then you've got Quinn, Google, and Mistral. All right, you named a lot. That's a lot of generative models. You got a lot of generative models there. All right, let's pop back over to our text. We're going to be coding, you guys. Thought traces, hashes. Also has very interesting inner mechanisms. Does it? Gemini is incredible. I use a lot of Gemini. He's a genius. Laura Max. Seems like a lot, right? There's a lot to go through. Do they use Python software for developers heading to school and not sure? Yes, they do. Potato RAM? Potato Ram Gaming. your name, Potato Ram. Some of your names in here are just get me. They just make me feel a certain way and sort of hilarity. You just paste the models requested from Route Away AI yesterday. It seemed like it, because that's an extensive list. All right, you guys, let's get back into it. All right, so send. We've got a problem here. Let's see what the issue is. Oh no, we fixed it. Okay. Looks good. And then, yes, we could do finally. Yeah. Or, no, we don't want to do a finally here. We don't. We only return, or we don't return. Perfect. Okay. So now, let's bring this back. Okay. Perfect. Hey, if everything works, we should see a whole bunch of hellos on the screen. If it all works now, I don't know if it is or not. Let's find out. Is it? Yep, there it is. Oh, it's working now. All right, check that out. It says hello, I think. I really hope. Yeah, it sure does. It does exactly what I'm looking for. All right, perfect. Oh, this is so good. All right, time out. We don't want that. Let's close that. All right, gone. We don't need that anymore because we don't need that. Hey, right there. All right, so now what we're going to do is make it pretty. We got to make it pretty, you guys. Let's make it pretty. And what we can do is, instead of making it pretty inside this class, we're going to import our communication.py as a module in chat.py. Python backends rock. They sure do. Spam, hello. Wait, is there some spam in there? Let's see here. Python nada use await. Oh, it can. Yeah, you can use async await. You can use async await. You absolutely can. We're just doing threading right now. Okay, perfect. We did it, you guys. This is great. We did it. I'm so happy. So now we are going to chat. So let's do import communication, right? So we could say communication dot start stream. So let's see, a channel. We'll do this. Channel equals, what do we want the channel to be named? We'll just call it chat, like that. Let's say channel. And then let me pull this over here, close that. And then what we want, we need a callback. We need a callback, you guys. What should we call it? Hey Stone Crab, how's it going? I don't see nothing. What are you looking for? Hey Dr. Strange, that terminal chat look like Matrix terminal, does it? RX1000, I am very much interested in keeping my terminal aesthetically pleasing. Your enthusiasm is contagious, Bryant. Thank you for saying that. You get me going. You guys give me energy. Kimmy K2. Yep, there you go. Got another one. Liquid FM is another. Got another one in there. Learner chat. Yep, that's what we're doing. Oh, learner chat. Okay, perfect. Let's say here. Laura Maxwell. That's what we're gonna do. Laura Maxwell with this. Like that. Perfect. All right. So we're gonna say define Laura Maxwell. And we will say message, and we will go over here, and then we're going to print the message. Perfect. And our message will just say we'll say common Sivan. We'll put you guys together, Sivan. There we go. Wait, is it Sava? Wait, Sivan. Did I say your name right? If I spelled it wrong, I'm going to be embarrassed. You're still learning side projects to start in your own while in school. You've been building on top of the Hyperland config you use. You didn't start. I didn't start that project, you know. Hey, Douglas William, Durate Lemons or Limos. Douglas William, thanks for subscribing. Welcome on in. We're doing some Python here. What's up, man? Hey, what's up? Good to have you here. Hey, everyone's here, you guys. This is great. Thank you for joining. We are going to be doing some Python. Obviously, we're doing some Python. We're doing communications. Did you know that you can have this ellipsis and you can put that there, and you can put this over here, and you can do this, and you can put ellipses there, and Python will be perfectly fine with it? Did you know you could have all this like characters around the screen, and Python's like, whatever. Doesn't matter to me. Hi, who are you? Oh, all right. So since you ask, who am I? Those of you who don't know, I am Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. Good to meet you. I started the company decade plus ago. We raised $134 million. We're at Series E. We have 1 billion connected devices like mobile phones and stuff. And I've got 68 patents that have been granted for communications, patent communications. And I've been in tech professionally for 25 years. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to share and let you know what worked for me over those years. I'm very happy to let you know. So that's me. This is my business right here. We allow you to deliver interactivity for your users. Communication, in-app communication. We do transportation, logistics, iGaming, casinos, sports like that, sports and media. We do gaming. Monthly players engage 35 million players on the network for multiplayer games. Monthly served patients, 3.6 million telemedicine patients we serve. And for e-commerce, like live bidding auctions, where you click on the auction to click your bid higher, that's us. If you've ever used any of those technologies to order food or see the dot on the map arrive to your location, that's us. That's what we do. You've already used my technology. You didn't even know it. It's great to have you guys here. I know, Heisen, you asked for it, so there we go. The start building button on the PubNub website doesn't work correctly. What? Start building. Okay, let's try it. Right here? You're right. It doesn't. It doesn't. Uh-oh. Thank you for mentioning that. Okay. All right. All right. Let me go tell the team, because we just updated the website. It's brand new. It's brand new. Thank you, Jinlu. Thank you. All right, you guys. All right, this is crazy. Let me go to marketing. I'm gonna type them on Slack right now. I'm gonna type them on Slack. Marketing. Ask marketing. Let's see. You said start building button doesn't work on the homepage. Warning. Let's see. Warning. All right. Thank you for saying that. Here, I'm going to take a picture of it. All right. 1 second. I'm taking a picture. Thank you for mentioning it. I'm fixing this. I'm fixing it. I'm fixing it because you asked for it. I'm fixing it. Loading it in. Okay, there. Send. All right, they're checking. See, they're checking. I don't know. See, it's checking. They're checking. I don't know if you can see it. Thank you, Jinlu. Thank you. Can you debug it? IR? They're going to update it. They're going to update it now. They're updating it right now. Because see, if right now I'm clicking on it, doesn't work. It doesn't work. Now they're going to fix it. They're going to fix it. Yeah, I noticed it pretty different today. Yeah, it's new. Thank you, Jinlu. Thank you. This is great. Let's see, 25 years industry. Yeah, thank you. How old am I? I am over 40. I'm in my 40s, you guys. I'm old. I'm old. I'm old now. We got to teach the new age. We got to teach. Jinlu, thank you again so much. I appreciate it. I told the web dev team. So this they'll have it ready here in a sec probably. In a second, let me bring that back up. So I've got my other here. See threads. In a second. Looks good. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. All right. I'll know when they get it ready. I'll know when they get it ready. Okay. Okay. How does someone know that they actually know how to code? I'm mostly fixed. It's fixed already. They fixed it. Testing. Hey, there it goes. It's fixed now. Jinlu, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So on live. Let's see where. On live stream, Jinlu found it, and they say thank you for fixing. All right. All right, here we go. Party popper. Thank you. That was awesome, Jinlu. It's fixed now. Hey, you fixed it, Jinlu. That was because of you. Thank you. They fixed it. See, right? This is beneficial. You guys are helping me out all the day. I'm here and you're here. This is great. Thank you, you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's see here. Nice monkey man. What'd you say over there? Mostly self-taught. Yep, there you go. Countless web scrapers, machine learning, file handling, bot programs, but you're unsure. How does someone know that they actually know how to code? If you've done those things, you can code. You can build whatever you want now. Because you can always improve. Yes, you could. What a cool way to report a bug. I know, right? Isn't that great? Jinlu, thank you. We need to get paid for doing this test for you. I know, comment. You're welcome. Just notice because I was trying to sign up. Nice. Nice. Yeah, this is great. Thank you. Thank you. That was really helpful. I appreciate it so much. That was great. Also, red logo on the red logo on the dark blue seems like an interesting design choice. That's what they chose. They chose that, I think. Let's see here. They chose that. I think. So is there a dark? I know there's a dark mode. There's a dark mode around here somewhere. When you go into the docs, so developers, docs, and then you click in documentation, we go into maybe get started for free. Oh, I'm getting stuck in an install loop here. Where is our docs at? Docs, yes, docs home. There we go. Start here. Perfect. Yeah. Oh, it looks fine. It looks fine. I think it looks fine. See, just made this the best stream I ever watched, Devon. I know, it's great. So catching up with the chats, you guys. What fixed, bro? RUX. So Jinlu said, hey, the button on the homepage was not working. Right here, the start button. This button right here. It didn't work. It was just linking back to the same page if you clicked it. This is awesome. I'm entertained. Me too. Thank you, you guys. Free RAM if you find a bug, right? Exactly. What do you get for it? Thank you. You get a thank you and my gratitudes. Thank you. Mohammed, so sweet. Is so good. That's what fixed. That's what fixed. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. That was great. That was so good. Gabe, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We're doing some Python designer nightmare. I know. Simone, I know. So now we're actually going to be doing some coding here. We're doing some coding. So this is the receive messages function. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. We'll get this going. So the plan is we're going to build a chat. Hey, man, what are we doing today? We are building a chat in the terminal window. We're building a chat in the terminal window. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Great to have you here. See when you see those hearts right there? This is what it sees. This is what I see on my screen. When you see the hearts right there, that's what I see. All the little party poppers showing up. That subscriber pop up a custom thing. It is a, what do you call it? Streamlabs. It's called Streamlabs. It's a Streamlabs things. You're in love with food? Wait, me too? I love food too. I somehow great finding the bugs. You are, Jinlu. You figured it out. I appreciate it. You figured it out by clicking on it. Why didn't we click on it? That's what we should have done. We should have clicked on it. This is great. So good to have you guys here. It's a lad. What do you mean it's a lad? What is it? It's allowed? Someone call Elon, right? You gotta call Elon. We're making our way, you guys. We're making our way. Thank you for the reactions and likes, you guys. I appreciate it. It's what I'm seeing on my screen, like giant on my screen. It's what shows up. It's what shows up on my screen, you guys. Thank you. All right, so let's get into it. We gotta build this app. We gotta build this app because we're almost done. So we finished the communication library, right? The communication library here. Nice little communication library. Does it right there. It's all good to go. The sub pop-up. What about the sub pop-up? Oh, the sub pop-up. Right. Yeah, that's Streamlabs. That's Streamlabs. It's a plugin. It's sort of like an overlay, an OBS overlay. It's the same thing as this, as the subtitles. The subtitles that you see here, the same thing. It's the same. It's like a browser window that's overlaid on top of the video. Wait, you're using Streamlabs for streaming? No, I'm using OBS. So I've got OBS here. Where is that? Where is it? One second. I don't know if you guys can see it. Screen, hide OBS. There you go. Yeah, so I'm using OBS. This is just regular vanilla OBS. Just standard OBS, you guys. Bring that back over here. Perfect. All right. I just use the Streamlabs plugin for the overlay. I call them lads. Oh, gotcha. All right. I was confused. I was like, hold on a second. I get it now. I get it. All right. So communication channel, and then we need a Laurel. Perfect. So, all right, chat. Here we go. Are you guys ready? Do you see this code on the screen right now? Do you see this code? I'm going to ask you a question. We're going to start a poll. Chinot? Wait, is that how you say it? Chanit. Hey, Chanico, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. We're going to start a poll right now. Will this code work? Will the Python code on screen run? Yes or no? Will it run? It looks a little weird. Will looks a little weird. We're doing a poll, you guys. We're doing a poll. Will it run? It's got some weird symbols in it. It's got these ellipses here. It's got an import statement. It's got some comments look fine. It's got some interesting things here. Will it run? It should run. Will it crash though? Do you see a bug? It'll run. I mean, yeah, it'll run, but will it cause an error? Will it cause an error? Hey, Kingsley Sam, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. You joined the right channel for software engineering. It's 50-50. I know, right? It's always been 50-50. Bro, why? Glock? I know. It won't run because you spelled Savon wrong. I knew it. It's not Savon, it's Savon. It's Savon. So it won't run. Will it run or will it not run? I'm actually kind of curious. Will it cause an error? It'll run, but will it cause an error? Since so many of you are saying, yes, I'm going to spell Savon correctly, and then also do that. I'm going to make a quick check there. I'm going to change it up a little bit because so many of you are saying yes. Okay, now it's even more. You're like, too far, bro, too far. You already voted, I believe. There's no, wait, if you are, then you know. Wait, all right. No, I know. Your playlist and lives are amazing and quite engaging. Love to connect with you on LinkedIn and learn more. All right. Shri, sounds good. Here's my LinkedIn right here. It's Stephen LB right here. Posted on Discord. I'll put it in Discord. If you want the link here, I'll put it into the link share. Right here you go. Link share. There you go. Right there in the link share. Can't unvote. I know you can't unvote. Hey, you know what? I'll put it back to where it was before. I'll put it back so that way you got, and I'll save it. Now we're going to run it. Python chat. All right. So will it work or will it not? Obviously, there's a problem now that you realize it. So if you waited to vote for this long, you can easily get the right answer. You fixed it. I fixed it back to the way it was, and then I refixed it again. You already got enough connections? I know, right? How many do I have on here? 21,000. 21,000. Pretty good. It's pretty good. Thank you for the reactions, you guys. Thank you for the hearts. It's good to have you here. All right, we're going to run it now. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Boom. Error. All right, that's not what I was thinking was going to happen. Communication.start is wrong. It's got to be start stream. So those of you who said no, you win. You win, those of you who said no, because it ran, but it crashed. So I think the whole point is, will it run? It did run, but does it crash? Will it crash? The answer is yes. It crashed. It crashed for different reasons. All right, so let's bring this back. We say Savon, spell it correctly, save it, chat, start communication, channel Laura Maxwell. Okay, perfect. Who said no? Comment out, right? Who's the nose? Who's the nose? Because you got it right. If you said no, start stream. Exactly, start stream. Let me double check. So that was communication. It's called stream and start stream. Yeah, start stream. Double check. Yep, looks good there. And we just need channel and callback. We got the callback here. And then we got the channel. That should work. All right, now it's going to work. Yeah, now it works. All right, this is great. Okay. Let's see here. Pull that over here. Close that out. Bring this over here. Clean it up a little bit. All right, clean it up, you guys. You said no, did you, Laura? Well, you got it right. Laura. All right. I did say yes, it will run, and it ran. I know, right? It did run. Technically, it ran. It had a crash, though. It crashed, but it crashed. Yeah, exactly. That's kind of what I was going for. Okay, so now we've got this. I'm going to say instead, we'll say for, say MSG in common in Savon 0. Then we print MSG. Message. Perfect. Okay. All right. So that is our callback. And it should print out good stuff. All right. So next what we need to do is we need to capture. Please change the song. All right. I will. There you go. Song changed. Better song. Song better. Kyle, you got it. Anytime you want, we'll change the song. You ever do C and C++ streams? Yes. Gum Bunch. Hey, how's it going, Gum Bunch? Happy to see you here. We do see C and plus streams. In fact, 2 weeks ago, we did multiple weeks of C. We did, yes, C last week, exactly. Some weeks ago, we did multiple weeks of C. We did it. We sure did. All right, so that will look good there. Now it's going to be pretty. Now it'll be pretty. All right, so we could say, how about this? We'll do an F string here. We'll do an F string. We'll say, let's say, how should we say we'll say message, colon, like that. Like that. Perfect. Okay. So now all we have to do is add some user input. Now we just got to grab some user input. And then whenever I type, I want it to capture the typing. That's what I want to do. I want to capture the typing. Jeopardy? Oh, right. Jeopardy. Cool. I'll be on the lookout. Nice. Sounds good. What are we doing today? Oh, ILF. What we're doing is we built a communication library. We did. So we actually wrote all this from scratch. I'm going to commit it real quick. Git add, git status, and then, rm underscore pi. I don't want this. rm-rf. Don't want that. Status. Okay. Git add, git commit. Oh, I knew it. Okay. rm:\w. Okay. Git status again. Git push. Git commit -m. We added communication. We added the communication file with threads. And now the next thing we got to do is add chatting. We're going to add the chat. There we go. That's what we're going to do next. We're going to add chat. Messaging in the terminal, kinda. Yep, exactly. That's what we're doing. If you don't know, I love food. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't. You changed your name on us. You changed your name. Okay, so that's the start stream. Next, what we need to do is, all right, Python get ask input from terminal stream. Perfect. Perfect. Gleb, how's it going? Thank you for subscribing. Gleb, it's good to have you here. We're doing some Python today, communication. I'm exhausted by. Oh, Mohammed, thank you for hanging out. It was great to have you here. You just subscribed to your channel. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. So we're going to use some Python input. So we're going to do input user string. Okay, so while true, we're going to do, what is this? MSG equals input. And then I'm just going to print the input. MSG. Perfect. Let's see if that works. Oop, nope, not that. All right, 1 second. Where is this at? Python chat. Perfect. Okay. Yep, there we go. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So we're going to get the input. So we'll say, we'll print the message. Instead of printing, we're going to go communication.send channel message. Message to keep things easier to read. Message. There we go. There we go. Did we do it, you guys? Did we just finish the whole application? Food delivery guy? Oh, BRB. Sounds good. It's on food time. I might need to change my name. You know what? JK, your name's good. I like your name. Your name's good. Good name. You got a good name. Because, right, we're using it right here. Laura Maxwell. That's a great name. That's a phenomenal name. I love it. Thank you for the reactions, you guys. Okay. Check this out. Check this out. All right. So, bro, I DM you in Discord. Please check after end of stream. Okay. At the end of stream, I'll check. At the end of stream, I'll check. Time.sleep.8. Only 8 seconds? Is that it? Just 8 seconds? Oh, you froze? Am I unfrozen now? Am I looking good? Let me check. I'm going to go over here. Am I frozen? I'm looking. Am I frozen? I'm looking at the... it looks fine, I think. Looking. Frozen. Am I? You right? La 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 la. Gotta... All right. I'm just looking... So I'm looking over here is what I'm doing. I'm looking right here. Now you're good? Okay. Thank you. I was like, what's going on? It looks fine to me. Looks fine to me. Okay. You good? Good. Cool. Come on. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Gum Bunch. Thank you. Oh, Olo. Thank you as well. Appreciate it, you guys. Thank you for double checking to see everything's good. You also DM'd me just now suggestions for the devs at PubNub. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I will take your suggestions. I will bring them to the team and I'll let them know. Tokyo. Hey, you're talking about Tokyo Rust. Stream next. We can do that. That's great. We do want to do that. Before we get back into Rust, we are doing some, like, we're heavy on the Python right now. And we want to do a few more basic streams. I want to also get into PyTorch. Neva, who is a frequenter on the chat, has built us this beautiful walkthrough for every single PyTorch array manipulation functions in PyTorch. So I want to go through this. I want to memorize it. That's what I want to do. Do you have plans to config with PyQt? What is PyQt? PyQt. What is that? What is PyQt? Is a set of Python bindings for the Qt. Oh, application firmware. Oh, yeah. Okay. I know Qt. I know about that. It's a user interface ecosystem. Bro, if I'm starting my startup next year, will you be CTO at my company? Thank you. I know RUX. I don't know. I'm usually pretty busy with things. I might be able to give you advice though. I can help you get started. Can we do C# something? I love C#. Yeah, there you go. Bakinator, thank you for the recommendation. C#'s great. PySide is better than PyQt in your opinion? Ooh, PySide versus PySide. PySide better? Although PyQt and PySide are very similar. PyQt all right, so what's the difference between the two? All right, so PySide, Qt for Python, oh, okay, so they're the same thing basically. Except probably PySide might be easier to use. GTK better than Qt. What's your opinion on fruit? I love fruit. Eat all the fruit. Eat every fruit possible. He's very busy. I know, right? I'm pretty busy. Although I'm streaming right now on YouTube, so it's Laura Maxwell from Livestream. Oh, hey, I saw you on Discord. All right, where'd you put Laura Maxwell? Hey, Grim. All right, Grim. Hey, Grim. Hey, Laura. Let's see, party popper. All right, we used your name in the right here. Your name's on screen, right here. Check it out. All right, thank you for joining the Discord, Laura. Good to have you there. I have most genius business idea. Oh, really? Don't give it to me. I might take it from you. Don't tell me what it is. Hey, Philip Richardson, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We are doing some Python today. All right, you guys. All right. Here's the question now. Here's the question. Did we finish the app? Is the app ready to go? Is the app ready to go? All right, so you've been here. All right, so is the app functional? A chat inside the terminal window. That's my question to you guys. Function all. Will it work without crashing? So that's what I'm asking for. Is it functional? You've been here for the stream. You saw me write the code. You see all the code here. You can see right now we've got let's see, where's that communication? You can see all the code right here. Right here. Here, I'll even close this window so you can see it a little bit better. We know the communication library is good. The only thing is the whole app. Will the whole app work? We're going to try it out. Let's see if it works. Let's see here. Let me get through some of the chats while you guys are looking at that. You can look at the suggestions live on stream if you'd like, by the way. Could teach people why you should test things. You might not think about it at first. I know, right? Jinlu, you got to do that. It's something we got to do. You're right. Is streaming good for streaming? Oh, Streamlabs. Yes. OBS kind of lags for you. Well, Streamlabs is a fork of OBS. So Streamlabs also has a few extra goodnesses built in, like the canvas, the OBS canvas is full resolution. So you see here, full resolution on the OBS canvas. In Streamlabs, they reduced that to reduce the CPU load. So possibly Streamlabs might be a little bit better for you, depending on your hardware. Let's see. Okay. See, 1 second. It's DoorDash, but with money deposits and withdrawals. Ooh, money on demand. Hey, that's a great idea. Get to money on demand. Okay, then advisor role is what you were saying whenever I start my own company. Happy to do it. Yeah, happy to do it. Also, Savan, you got it. So are these streams just to learn new stuff and make cool things? You got it, Gum Bunch. That's what we're doing here. Learn we learn, we talk tech, we write code. It's mostly live coding, like 90% live coding when I'm not talking. All right, you guys, you think it's going to work? You guys think it's going to work? All right. All right, let's close this. We'll close that. We'll split the screen. Now, here, we'll close that off. Well, actually, here's a better idea. We'll split the screen on either side. So Python chat. So I'm going to run it now. Let's see if it works, you guys. All right, let me catch up on some of the chats and we'll run it here in a second. Bro, what music's in your BG? This is the YouTube, the YouTube Studio Music playlist that is Creative Commons and licensed free. So that's what that is. Let's see here. Laura, I will give you the best advice ever for your business idea. Never let it out of your head. Don't tell anyone ever. Yep, exactly. Exactly. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell me. I might take your idea. I might steal it. I still believe. Bryant, that's always good to be positive. Always good to be positive. Streamlabs isn't a fork, isn't it? It used to steal the OBS name. I thought it was a fork, or it's like, isn't it? It has to be a fork. Because I've downloaded it and I've ran it and it's basically identical. It's basically the same thing. Out loud? Exactly. Never say it out loud. You got it. Let's see. Okay. Like when advisor role is okay. You say it. You got it. Advisor. Happy to do it, bro. Okay. Let's see. Yes, it's time. I'm reading through the chats here, you guys. Let me get through the chats here. All right. Getting through some of the chats there, you guys. Let me zoom in on that so you can see where I'm at. Okay. How often do you stream? Every weekday, Monday through Friday. Let's make a YouTube that has no unpredictable ads and options to set a base of the voice speaking. Bacchinator? What? Bacchinator, what are you talking about? This sounds kind of neat. Before you run it, who said yes? Oh, right. Okay, we'll get the poll. We'll end the poll first. I still don't get why you use raw Vim. Oh, Neo Vim is so much nicer. Because I'm comfortable with it. It makes me happy. It makes me happy. Use the text editor that makes you happy. That's what my recommendation is. What should you get after you get the Python certificate? Well, I think you're good to go at that point, right? You don't need to get another certificate. If you're building on one now, I don't even know if you need a certificate in the first place. What you need to do is build an app, release the app, get users, and then iterate. You posted your business idea in general chat? Kyle. Oh no, giving it away. I love it. Graduated this year and have been working, but not with your skills as much as you would like. Trying to break into the industry. Gum bunch. Keep on going. Don't stop. OBS is better than Streamlabs OBS. Yeah, I like regular OBS better. I'm not capable of running a business. I'm teen, so you can run a business. You absolutely can. There's nothing stopping you. So I told everyone, start one right now. You don't have, there's no limit. Vim versus VS Code. Vim for sure. Ads are on YouTube, so you pay the no ads. Oh, the same as most streaming services. That sounds kind of interesting. I'm a little interested. Trash Dash's landing page looks at it, please. Wait, Trash Dash? All right, let me check that out real quick. Let's check out Trash Dash. All right, 1 second. Let's pull that up. Okay, and then we're going to run the app. Trash Dash. What is this? Trash can you can curb service. Oh, it's a real business. Hey, on-demand trash pickup. That's funny. That's great. Stress-free trash day every week. Trash Dash. That's pretty stellar. Look at that. That's awesome. It's a whole company, you guys. No, it's in Discord general chat. Okay, sounds good. Check out Discord general real quick. Trash Dash. Hey, Trash Dash. There you go. Not only that I thought it was a meme, but it's real. It's real. It's amazing. Great. That's great marketing. That's my joke from 10 years ago. VS Code is taking a lot of resources. Yeah, it is. It sure does. I love my Vim, you guys. Vim that it comes without the code complete. So made you remember Python by heart. Yeah, there you go. Python by heart, you guys. Python by heart. All right, we're going to run it now. We're running it now. Here we go. It runs. Runs. Okay. So far, so good. So far, so good. All right, we're going to end the poll. We're going to end the poll. Does it work? Does it work? So all we have to do is type. We'll say, Hello, Lu. Hello, Lu. Hey, there it goes. It works. All right, check this out. All right. Why, hello there. And then what else should we say? My name is right, because your name is Jan. I always have to spell Jan Lu. Perfect. There we go. Hey, there it goes. Look, there we go. Exclamation points. What about party poppers? Can we do party poppers? Can we do party poppers? Yeah, we can do party poppers too. Look at that. We built chat. Exclamation point. There we go. Isn't that great? Yes, it is amazing. This is fantastic. We did it, you guys. Hands raised. We did it. Give me the code. Let's make it real. I know, right? Jen Lu, we can make it real. Nice. We did it, Bryant. We did it, you guys. You said yes for the record, Common. Good job. You figured it out. Copy, paste, chat. You got it. All right. Get status. Get add chat. .py. Get commit. Added chat. Push main. Okay. So, if you guys are interested, I'll post this on Discord. Now make a GUI? I know, we could make a GUI. You guys could also chat with me. And there's no required libraries. So if you clone this, where is that at? Let's see here. Let's go into repositories real quick. We'll go into repositories, Python basics. If you clone this repo here, and then you run chat.py, it'll show up on the screen. I'll put it over here into link share on Discord. Let's see if anyone can do it. Anyone want to chat? ? Yes. Yes, indeed. Okay, sounds good. There we go. I'm curious if anyone's got a Python. I'm really curious. I'm curious if anyone would be able to run it. I'm pretty sure you would because there's no required modules. Where's the Python basics repo? That's it. I posted it in Discord. I'll also post it in general for those who are there. Run. So you say Python chat.py. Run it like that. Let's see here. Peek. Right. Peek. Sounds okay. All right. I'm curious if anyone would do it. All right. Let me see here. Where is also our link share? Here we go. Right. Python chat.py. Anyone out there? Anyone? ? Yes. Okay. Sounds good. Yes. Okay. Guess who's in the Discord now? Oh, are you? You're stupid? Hey, no, Jinlu. No, you're not. You're good. Module error, no module found communication. Oh, are you serious? You might be right. Get status. Get add communication. It should be there. Is it not there? I'm just curious. Hold on. Is it? It's right there. It should be here. Oh, you might need to get pull. You need to get pull, right? It should be in the main library. Oh, right? Yeah. It's here. It's there. Let's see here. Yes. All right. Let's close. We reopen. All right. Close and reopen. Test. Yes. Okay. Looking good. We did it though. This is a really good one. So thank you, Quantify Quantum. I know you're not here, or if you are, thank you again. Already forked, by the way. Did you? Nice. All right. Oh, look at that from Jinnu. In short, hey, look at this. In short, you were stupid. You forgot to download the common file. You did it. Look at that. Hello. It's common. Whoa. Hi. Hello. Great to see you. This is awesome. Look at that. We're chatting now. Obviously, it's real. It works. And we also send you a party popper. Well, that's some formatting. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. You got it. Worked for me? Nice. That's great. Great to hear. We did it, you guys. We did it. \n. You're trying to do some escapes there. You're trying to do some escapes. Dang. Right? Wait, I can modify. You can modify this? All right, okay. Make it work. Modify. Away. Mod. Away. There you go. Hello. Hello. Hey, this is great. Yeah, you're using the thing. This is cool. This is great, you guys. Great to have you here. This is like a real interactive. Wait, we're going to spell here correctly. Here. Spell here properly. That is neat. That is neat. Isn't that satisfying? I think it's pretty satisfying. I like it. Let's see. Part. Can we do, yeah. We did it. Thank you. Hi. No, I didn't type it right. But it's Damil. Hey, how's it going, Damiller? Good to have you here. Pretty much Gum Bunch. Hey, Gum Bunch even. Wow, you guys. Hey, look at so many people. Hey, you're using my technology now and you didn't even know it. You didn't even know it. Here's the link in Discord. Yep, you got it in Discord. Hey, Rocket, how's it going? I'm not a big fan of the government. Okay, sounds good to me. Thank you for the DM reply. Recommending emulator. Hey, Moped Mike. Yeah, you're well. Did you get it going? PLC and SCADA programming set me on the right path. That's great to hear. Moped Mike, good to have you here. Hello. Hello. Happy you are here. This is great. This is great, you guys. This is awesome. This is great. Let's see. Party popper. Paste that. Party poppers. Party poppers. Happy you are here. This is great. This is so neat. This is Savon. Hey, Savon. Look at that. You're here too. Everyone is in. This is kind of good for whistleblowers. Yeah, I know, right? Yep. Not sure if this is going to work. It worked. It worked. It worked. Success. Party poppers. Party poppers, you guys. We did it. This is really the best stream we had. Believe it. Believe it. Nice. Great to hear. Thank you. One moment. One moment. I don't think my thingy worked. It worked. It worked. It's working. It's working. Let's see here. Already. Okay. I'm just, we're all low. Instead of on YouTube chat, now we're over here in this chat. You modified my code. Try to, let's see, and try to do something different, but it worked. I don't think there's any other stream on the internet that teaches you, that teaches you this. You got it. You got it. Great. That's so cool. This is amazing. Thank you. This is so neat. We are really here. We really have to see. We have to see how much requests per second is going on. You can go as big. You can go as big as you want. Make it big. You can start spamming if you want. You could start spam. Bryant, how's it going, Bryant? Hi. Good to see you. You guys, you made it. You made it. Is it using your public server? You got it. It's using the public internet, you guys. Public internet. I only just had off work today. I'm too busy. I'll update you. Yellow, this is nothing for PN. I know, right? Uh-huh. Beast, you got it. Yep. Star. Yep. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. What's even more impressive is that we're sending trillions of these messages, and the latency is pretty good, isn't it? Hey, Moped Mike, what are we working on today? We just built a terminal-based chat. We built a terminal-based chat, and it's working, and everyone is in here. B-movie script ABCD. You got it. ABCDE. Yes. Part of the alphabet. You got it. Rust is the best language. It is. It really is. I like Rust, too. I like Rust. Yes, yes, yes. You got it. This is great. According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way bee should be able to fly. Really? Bees do fly. They do. They do fly, you guys. Bro, how to run this? Guide me. RUX 10,000. All you have to do is git fork or git clone or just download this code. Download the zip and then do Python. You do Python chat in your terminal window. You got it. You forgot to add an exit command. Yep. You are stuck forever. There's no escape. You can't get out of here. This is why working for PubNub is unlike any other thing. This engine is really like fascinating. My thoughts since I used PM3 first time. Nice. Nice. Clone the repo and then run chat.py. You got it. Yeah, exactly. Control C will exit. Yep. It's also so the backlog mechanism is special throttling. Yep, you got it. You got it right. It, star, it. You got it. You got it, guys. You got it. I sent something in Discord general chat. Can I show you and 3 chat? You and 3 chat? Sure, absolutely. Like 51, hello from Scotland. Hey, from Scotland, how's it going there, Jeff's YouTube? Good to have you here, Jeff's YouTube. Welcome on in. All right, you guys, we had a lot of fun. This was great. This was fun. Thank you, guys. Great stream today. Lots of great outcomes. Success. We did it. We did it, you guys. How's it going there, Sir Cats? Good to see you, Sir Cats. Hello, Steven. Good to have you here. Can you play the video? Absolutely. We'll play the video. We'll play the video. Whoa, we got it. Oh, hey, someone figured out how to spam the chat. You win. You win. Check that out. You got the spam. You're put in a for loop. You put in a for loop. There you go. Yeah. Look at that. You guys figured out how to make it work. I subbed your Discord. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Jeffs. Look at that, you guys. Now I can't read it anymore because you guys figured out how to spam it. You figured out how to spam it. Isn't that great? You guys figured it out. The B movie script, is it? Is that what that is? Real time on stream? Stress testing. I'll make it stressor. You can make it even more stressful. We could do, it's B movie. Nice. Good job. You did it. Good way to stress test. Way to stress test it. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I just saw B. LOL. You did. That's all I saw too. Sounds amazing. You guys did it. Okay, Dave, pull the chute. Sounds amazing. It was amazing. That was awesome. B movie script. Yep, you got it. My PC hates me for that. Yeah. Thank you. It's Kyle. Hi, Kyle. This is proof why PubNub is amazing. I know, isn't that neat? Terminal-based chat, you guys. Terminal-based chat window right there. Terminal-based chat. Let's see here. I had to add ENV. Oh, you did? Oh, got it. That makes sense. Yep. Your device is one of a billion connected devices. You got it. You love it? Proud. Yes. Thank you. This was fun, you guys. We did it. I always wanted to do it. I was like, one day on stream, I want to do this. I want to do this. And we did it. Thank you for helping me realize my dream. Party poppers. Smiley face. All right, we get it, you guys. This is advertisement 101. I know, right? Pretty much, you know what's going on. Now, let's see. Now I never have to leave VS Code. I can just chat through the terminal. I know, right? Realize I'm connected. You got connected together on the terminal. We got it. We're connected together, you guys. Thank you for helping me realize my dream. I appreciate it. Oh, whoa, I'm here. What is good? What's good? Good to have you here. Thank you for joining. Yeah, this is great. Could I, in theory, use PubNub to make a remote control app? Yes, you can, Jinlu. You absolutely can. There have been businesses that have started around that. Whoa! Hold on 1 second. That was cool. Do that again. Oops. Here, D. That was sick. Yeah, it was cool. Do that again. Let me close that. There we go. Oh, okay, yeah. So... okay, so is that a horse? What is that? Here. This is the terminal window. I can't see what it is, but I think it's a horse. Let me try. What does that look like? I'm trying to figure out what it is. I can't see it. It's some ASCII. The thing is, it's the new lines aren't showing up. It's ASCII art, but the new lines don't show up. Because you have to put one line at a time. If you print one message instead of the new line characters, it'll show up. Yep, the CFRLX break. Yep, the ASCII art is saying it's, oh, it's cool. Oh, nice. Very nice. That's awesome. Very nice. This is great. Steven, look at my video in the link share. It's really good. 15 seconds. All right, we will. We'll do it. All right, guys, we're going to start wrapping up now. It had so much fun playing with you in the terminal window. We did it. We wrote an app that adds communication in the terminal window. Success. And now we are wrapping up for the day. So bye. Oh, hey, there we go. There we go. There we go. What is that? What is that? It looks like some sort of dancer. What is that? What is going on here? I'm trying to see it. That looks like, it looks like, it was a horse? What is that? Steven, look at my edit from start of stream where it's bye. That's a horse. Oh, it's a horse. Okay, gotcha. It's a horse. Got it. Someone type a lowercase beep right now. Beep. Beep. Hey, beep. That's awesome. Very nice, you guys. I modified our client to beep when someone sends beep. Did you? That's great. That's great. Great stream. Have a good night. Thank you, Laura Max. Appreciate Laura Maxwell. Good to have you here. Could we add optional binary payload support? Absolutely, without changing default text behavior. Yes, of course you can. Keep UTF, but allow sending tagged payloads like B64 hex. Web3, you know it. Absolutely, that'll absolutely work. I know you can play it, but can you play the stream also? Yeah, I know you can play it, but can you play it in the stream? Sure. I will. We'll play it. We'll play it on stream. On stream we will. Great stream. Steven, stream idea. Make an apple that translates the stream into signs. Red, green. Oh, you're trying to do the escapes. You're trying to do the terminal colors. Yep. It might have worked. That actually might have worked. I don't know why it didn't. It might have worked. What you just tried there, the ANSI colors do not work. They might have because actually it's E. Let's see. What is it? What's the escape code? ANSI color terminal command. All right, how do we do that? I want the terminal codes. Let's try to do this. Let's try to do it. Beep. Beep. We're wrapping up, you guys. Okay, so it is example. All right, so let's try this. Nope, that doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't work. A non-beep? I don't think it does. Right. You are correct. Good catch. So there's all sorts of fun things we can do. Right? We can make it colors. We can add some binary. We can do images. And we'll go directly to the terminal buffer. Yep. We got to do that. Yes, there you go, right? \E open 0:31M to say hello. Yeah. It only prints the literals. It doesn't do any escaping. Check general. Okay. So we're going to wrap up, guys. We're going to wrap up now. We got to get going. We had a lot of fun. Let's see. Go into general chat here. So we got a couple of videos. Oh, the beep. Let's do the beep first. Let's see here. I'm waiting for it. Wait for it. We're wrapping up, you guys. Okay, so it is example. All right, so let's try this. I'm waiting for the beep. Waiting for the beep. That doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't work. A non-beep. Hey, there's the beep. We did the beep. That was great. You modified it to do the beep. That was great. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you for sharing that. Thank you. All right. There's one other video here. We got a video that we're going to do real quick. We'll do a video and let's watch this. Why? 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 Why did you put that in general? Why did you put that in general? This is such a great break from cloud coding, is it? It's consumed. Yeah, it's great. This is great. Thank you, everyone. Wrapping up. We are wrapping up. All right. What is this? I know, right? What happened? The other one is link and share. Oh, link share. Okay, got it. Got it. We'll go in link share. Okay. This one right here. I wonder if. And I wonder if you know. How did you? What it means. Okay, that's better. To find your dreams. Thank you, Kyle. That was better. That was better. The horse, I know, right? The horse thing. The things that make us ask why. Exactly. Kyle, thank you. That was great. Hey, Laura Maxwell, thank you for sticking around. All right, guys, we got to wrap up. So we're wrapping up now. We are going to do the memes of the day. And then we are done with the stream. Dude, last stream, you just look leak with WTH. Hey, Kaora, what? Dude, last stream, a dude just took a leak. Oh, yeah, that seems like a problem. Don't do that on live streaming. Yeah, don't do that. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everybody, for hanging out today. It's been a blast. I know, it's been good. We're going to wrap up here with some memes of the day. We're going to do some memes of the day. Let me see here. Getting these things loaded in here. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's get going. Zoom in on that. Okay. My buggy code, we're pushing a car. God himself, standing around. Random blog from 2007. Stack Overflow, me. barely helping it all. Helping it at all. Yep, Stack Overflow. It's so sad about Stack Overflow. It was an era. It's a whole era, you guys. It was a whole era. Maybe some 90s music to finish up. So I would like to. YouTube is pretty hardcore about the kind of music. They're pretty hardcore about the kind of music. I can only play certain things. So I want to. Savon, I think that would be great if we really could. Oh, Steven, did you look at the farmer? The farmer will be replaced? Yes, I did. Torva. I want to play that. Possible for casual gaming? We should do it. Because it is coding. It's live coding. We should do it. Torva, we should absolutely do it. Good thing you only had 5 randos in there. I know, right? When that Rockstar programmer becomes manager and not allowed to code anymore. Oh, yeah. Superman in handcuffs. You can't hold him back, but he's like saying, okay, fine. It's okay, fine. That's usually how it goes. Singing me Doris Daydream. Is it Doris Daydream? Let's see here. When you get accused of writing intelligible code. Working code is working code. Intelligible code? Isn't that a good thing? Wait, did I get that wrong? Am I reading this right? You want a true pair programming at some point on stream? We could do that, Savon. That would be fun. We can build something together. When your code is totally different from whole class, but finally only your code runs correctly. Your code is different from the whole class. It works, though. It works. AI spaghetti code? Yep. Sometimes, although you never want to give that spaghetti code to anyone. You don't. That spaghetti code is for you and for you only. Never treat someone like that. That would be terrible. Yeah, Stack Overflow was a drastic drop in visitors because of AI. It sure was. What code editor do you use? Visual Studio Code. Everyone. Sublime, Atom, Vim. Yeah. Write the code with a paper and pencil. Is that a thing? Wait, is that real or is that people just trolling? Is that just trolling? I used to write code by hand on paper and pencil. I did. Though you don't need to do it anymore. I used to in college. Junior developer, how do I find the bug so easily? Senior developer, I was there when it was written. Yeah, you were because you wrote it. At school, damn. Oh yeah, at school many years ago, decades, guys, decades. Your company's highest paid engineer showing up to meetings. Yeah. Yep. That's the way it was in the 90s. I don't know if it's so much like that now. We dress more snazzy these days. We do. But back in the day, you could dress how if you were a senior engineer, you could do whatever you wanted. You were ultimate. But now there's AI. Some people do that when I don't have a device at hand. Yeah. Sometimes you do that. Yeah. I was disconnected. Comment. Well, we're good to know. Never closing this terminal. Same setup used to develop Linux. Oh yeah, look at that. Like a really simple setup there. And then setup for copying code from GPT. You don't need all that hardware. Look at what Linux was built on right there. Just a basic, simple monitor, simple keyboard. You don't need all this. You need DLSS RAM? You sure do. You got DLSS RAM. All right, you guys, we're almost done here, I think. Okay. I love Dexter. Dexter's a great show. When bro suddenly starts submitting PRs with detailed descriptions, correct grammar, and casing. Wait, casing? Isn't that saying right? Correct casing. And testing steps. Yeah, you start getting suspicious. You sure do. Who are you? Who are you to do those things? Because usually you just commit code without any of those things. I know. Very basic. Designers, Dolly 2. I stole your picture and used them to generate art. No, this is illegal. You can't do that. ChatGPT, I scanned your GitHub account and stole your code. Cool. Did you get it to work? I like that one. That was pretty good. All right, we got through them all, you guys. We did it. Hey, everyone, thank you for hanging out today. It was great to see y'all. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll be doing some more something. We'll figure it out. We'll do something else on the list. We'll figure it out. All right, here. What are we going to do? AS by README. Thank you, guys. We did the thing we wanted to do. So let's go ahead and say we did it. We did the networking. We did networking. We did it, you guys. We did it. Vivek, hey, Vivek, good to see you. Dude, if I could get a signal RGB to work on Linux, I would yeet Windows so hard. You would. It was great to see you. Good to play. Thank you again. It was great to see everyone. Laughing is the best medicine, bro. Yeah, you got to add meme sections at the end. Thank you, RUX1000. It was good to go through those. Goodbye, everyone. We'll be back tomorrow. Peace out. Play it again, please. I know, right? We could do it, right? Which one? The horse one? The horse one? Why? What? Okay. All right, we're going now. Bye, guys. Thank you for seeing us. We'll be back tomorrow. See you guys next time.